Start. Okay, whatever. Okay. Well, let's do my third-person view. Hey there, everyone. Welcome to NEOS VR. Hopefully you can see the stream. I'm not going to get out of VR to test that again right now, but welcome to NEOS VR. Welcome to my new quantum virtual being known as the Possibilon. He's flying right behind me. All right, I can do a first-person point of view. Where is he? There's the Possibilon. Hello. The Possibilon's quantum computing virtual being, cyber alien oracle. All right. Welcome to Twitch. If you're on the Twitch stream channel, you can go to the chat room. You can send me chats, and I should be able to read what you say. Okay? We can test that if you'd like. Otherwise, welcome. If you are going to meet me in Neos, just send me a friend request as Ideatron, and then I'll bring you in. We can only fit 8 people at a time, though. I set the limit of people low, because the more people that show up, the slower the world gets. And I want to make sure it's optimized for interaction here. But anyway, welcome to the Twitch stream. Hi. And let's introduce you to some people before we begin interacting with the Possibilon. Okay, so here is Halt, my friend from VR Chat. Hi, Halt.
Hello.
And here is Alex, if you don't mind me using your name. he's sorry, I should have said that. He's the quantum programmer, responsible for connecting the Possibilon to the D-Wave 5000 qubit annealer. Cool. Hello.
Hi, everyone.
Hello. And here is, can I use your real name? I guess your real name's actually in the username. This is Norm. He's an amazing composer, actually from Second Life, from the Avatar Orchestra Metaverse. That's how I know him. Great guy. He's an old school music composer in virtual worlds, and he's going to go check out. Well, I don't mean it that way. I just meant in terms of like Second Life's old. You know, that's what I meant. But yeah. So anyway, hi Norm, and here is Lucas, one of the main programmers of Logix and the main help here. Hey there, Lucas. How you doing?
I'm good.
Without Lucas, a lot of this would not be possible. So, let me just invite Psychic Radio, aka Liz, is here. So let me just invite her. That's my project partner. That's part of our grant together. I'll just bring her over here. All right. And okay. So as soon as Liz gets here, I guess we can start interacting with the Possibilon. How the Possibilon works is the Possibilon waits for appointments. Okay, so people in here are going to have an appointment to interact with the Possibilon, and then we'll tell the Possibilon, or I will tell the Possibilon who's next for the appointment, and then they will interact with the Possibilon. Okay, and I'll explain how the interaction works for those that are totally confused. Okay, so, and here is Liz. Hey, Liz.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. We're Twitch streaming live now. How's it going? Everything's
amazing. Great.
Good to go. Phew.
Woo-hoo,
okay.
Look at it here. It's crazy.
I know, crazy town, right? Oh yeah, the Twitch stream's up here. Yeah. So what was I going to say, Liz? I forgot. It doesn't matter. We're Twitch streaming now.
Okay.
There's people might text us. I'm checking the Twitch chat over here, people. Sorry, I'm just. Here's the Twitch stream. So if you want to send me a text, send it to me here, this Twitch chat, and I should be able to read your text here. You might want to try. Again, my stream went down and now it went live. Anyway, I think I'm still live here in VR for you. So hello everyone. If you want to try and test the Twitch stream text chat, you can. We'll see how that goes.
Hi, Norman. Good to see you. Wow, you've got a great avatar.
Hello, Lucas. All right, thanks, Lucas, for doing a test on the screen.
Amazing.
Let's see it here. So when I see your text, people, I see it up here, and also see it in a special camera window I have. So I can actually read what you're typing in the chat room, even if you're not in VR, okay? So feel free to chat here. If you want to ask me anything, or say hi, or make requests, or, you know. And,
Flies around.
Funny, but that's a good idea.
And as you can see, it's a live virtual experience, people chatting to each other in real time.
That's right.
It's a real social situation, and some great friends here, and it's going to be a lot of fun. for me anyway.
Yeah.
And
I like
yeah,
what you've done with the space.
I know,
I love
right?
what you've done with the place.
Sounds good. So, okay. So, let me see now. Oh, there's the Possibilon. Hello. Where are you going? Don't go. Okay. That'd be funny if the Possibilon took off and just wanted a new life. Okay. Anyway, who among you would like to interact with the Possibilon first?
I
Norman's got his
can't
hand
stay
up.
on very long.
All right, Norm. You're the lucky guy.
Maybe I should do it if I
Yep.
don't get in the way. If I can follow
Yeah,
instructions.
no, do it.
Oh, that's awesome, Norm. You'll be the first person, other than staff, to use the quantum computer. So, congratulations. All right, I don't know if there's a prize for that, but, anyway. Oh, oops, hold on a sec. Just going to fix something here. All right, there we go. Okay, so what we're going to do here, Norm, is I'm going to invite you to be an appointee. All right, so actually, yeah, I can invite you. People can, oops, just one moment here.
I always like to be an appointee.
You're an appointee, so I'm going to make you. Are you ready for the Possibilon to stalk you now? Are you sure you're ready?
Yeah. Well,
Okay, let's do it right.
know.
Okay, well, here we go.
Big mystery.
Oh, he's there waiting for you over there. And then, hold on. And, control, glasses. There's some glasses for you to wear. Just pick them up, yeah. Put them on your face. Like, grip it, yeah. Put it on your face and look at you. You're the coolest guy in VR. All right, and now can you see the text over the screen there?
Please ensure you are stand. I will quickly scan your avatar for identification.
There you go, Norm.
My ID.
Oh, well, this is not a coronavirus passport issue. Don't worry. And you don't have to wear a mask either. So all you got to do is just walk up to the Possibilon, and he'll scan you. You got to be close enough. So just walk right up to him. He won't hurt you. Don't worry. There you go. You've been scanned. Okay. And in the glasses, it should say whether or not you've been scanned.
Complete. Avatar
Okay.
identification.
Now, if you look here, you'll see a bunch of control panels. This is the longest part of what you got to do. If you look down below here.
Look where?
Down below at the table. Now, these are just... The Possibilon's going to ask you, or wants to know, what kind of world you'd like to visit one day. So you get to put in your world preferences in each of these boxes around the table. You can use your trigger and trigger those big heading menus there, and trigger the kind of tags of the kind of keywords you want to see in a future possible world one day. And for these sliders down there, you can even determine how strongly you want to see those tags.
This one is social level infrastructure.
Yeah, these are subheadings. Click on one, and it takes a while to fill this out. That's the longest part. So this table is called tolerable. So here, what kind of tags would you tolerate in a world to see one day? All right, some worlds you might like, some worlds you might hate, some worlds you just can tolerate. Just the tolerable table. So just fill out your preferences. All right, there's a drop-down menu. See all those tags? If you can't read them, just you can pick randomly if you want.
All right, I'm doing random.
It won't be as relevant. Yeah, that's
really
okay. It won't be as relevant. Their answer won't be as relevant for you, maybe, but that's okay. It'll still work. So fill out all these if you can. Do you want help me filling it out for you if you're doing it random?
Every one of these?
Yeah, I can do it for you if you want. So much of a result.
I'm just random.
You can.
Day,
yeah, just pick a bunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then think about how strongly you want it with the slider there. You can just leave it the slider there if you want.
No idea what I'm...
Yeah, it's okay. Do you want me to fill out some tags for you? Or do you want to...
I
since
did.
You're doing random?
I filled them all out.
No, I meant across the whole table. There's another one over here for what you really want, what you're comfortable with. I can just speed it up for you.
I hit submit.
Oh, maybe you can. Usually you have to fill all of this out.
Please select all fields.
Yeah. Yeah, do you want me to help you do that? Since you're doing it randomly anyway?
Yeah, sure, you can do it.
Okay, if you want.
I'll go around and do others?
Yeah. But for people that want more directed, targeted results, they can actually... you can actually put into tags you want, and the result be more relevant to you. Okay? But that's really up to you, okay? Oh, thanks, Sandra, for joining the channel. I appreciate that. All right. Okay. But for those that want a targeted response with the world, like an actual world that they want to visit one day, then I recommend you look at each of these and look at the tags and fill them in. But you don't have to. And since I know you got to go soon, Norm, I'm just helping you try it quickly.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
No worries.
I selected all field.
Yeah, hold on. I don't know if we're totally done yet. I'm just clicking some random ones for you. Oh, this one's not done yet. Let me just quickly do it for you. And hello to you as well. Oh, good. Moderation of questions. Thank you. I see what that is.
That was me just typing it in.
Yeah, hey, Alex. Thanks. I appreciate that. Here, I'm just going to help Norm do a random one, because he's got to go quickly. So, let me see. Norm, let's see if we've got you taken care of here. Oh, a few more here. Oh, don't worry. You're almost done. Almost done.
I went through all of them.
I got a few here missing. I see. Maybe they didn't quite save. Not your fault. Oh, a few more. Oops. Come on. All right. Oh, this one's gonna be selected. Okay. Now, can you submit there for me, Norm? Is there a submit button? It'll say, "Are you sure?"
I hit submit and please select all fields.
Oh, again? Let me see. Just proofing it for you, man.
This one has been selected.
Ah, thanks, Lucas.
That was one you did.
Yeah, it's my fault. Okay.
All right.
Hit. Are you sure?
Please select all.
What? Oh.
How do you tell when things have not been selected?
There's just an arrow with no feature.
Can you?
No, I think it's weird. Should be done.
The arrow's pointing down.
I think so. I think you're done. Oh, I'm gonna.
Bill says, please select all field.
Yep. It should be. It should be working.
Point your laser away and back into it.
Yeah, point your laser away from it. Yeah.
Right. Away from.
Yeah, and then
Yeah, now point it again.
at submit.
Are you sure?
That's right. Are you sure? Yes, you're sure. Right? You're sure?
Go.
All right. Hey, circuitry. Hey. Hey, Norm here is just trying it out. He's our first appointee.
Double click it. You just press again to confirm.
Okay.
There you go.
There we go. Now it... Oh, there's your world right there, Norm. Look how fast that was. This quantum computer just gave you this world. That was faster than I expected. It just kind of went poof, there it is. And
so what do I do with this world?
You can keep... Hold on. It's fading out. Look, it's going to fade the text in a minute. Just stare at it.
Grab it.
Yeah, do you see some words appearing? You can grip it, hold it if you want. So that is your personalized possible world there, Norm. See, look, here, it's fading here. It says here in the globe, and I'm reading this Twitch stream, it says, I've chosen the world tags for you. And it looks like you got one with forest, template, well, your arm's in the way, I can't totally see, gravity art, forest, template, sky, gravity art, chill, VR chat, night, and creator, having a creator present. This is the kind of tags you pick for the worlds. These are the most possible available worlds that match your query. So this is based...
worlds right now?
Actually, I think so, yeah. Yeah, that are most similar to his... That's right. These are quantum generated and sorted. So this is your personal gift from the Possibilon. You can grab it. Use your radio menu. You know the one to fly on your right hand? This one? Do you know that over your hand there's a radio menu? Oh, not quite. And you can save it to your inventory. The other way to do it is to open a giant window with your other hand. and then hold it with one hand and hit plus with the other hand, and you have it saved to your inventory. This is your personal possible world for you.
Oh, he joined.
Going to my.
Yeah, your inventory. You can
Joined
save it.
somebody.
Sorry, what's that, Lucas?
He joined somebody.
Oh, he accidentally clicked somebody?
I got it.
You got it? Oh,
Yeah.
fantastic. Fantastic. And hey there, Jim. Say hi. Or I'm sorry, not talking to myself. Hey there, Jim. Say hi to Natalie for me too. Hello. I can actually read your Twitch chats even away from the Twitch chat screen in the distance. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks also for being here, Sandra. I got a question from Li Shi. What's going on here? Well, Li Shi, we are Twitch streaming my quantum computing virtual being right now. It's using a real quantum computer to generate possible worlds for people to collect in the metaverse. This is the NEOS VR social VR metaverse, and that's what we're doing here. So feel free to check out the live stream if you would like, and check it out. Okay. All right, Norm. So
Thank you very much.
You are most welcome. That's my personal. Well, that's a Possibilon's personal gift to you.
Appreciate it, and I will explore these worlds. I get a chance, and give the glasses back to you.
Yeah, just take them off, please. Yeah, I as much as I'd love to give them to you,
off?
just grip it and pull it off. Yeah, there you go. Thanks. All right, let's put the glasses over here. Thanks a lot, Norm. I know you got some dinner to go and to have. So have a great family dinner.
I'm in a different time zone.
Have a fantastic family dinner. I'll destroy this for you. Don't worry. You still have it.
All right.
You still have it. I'll just
Thank
destroy
you very
this
much.
copy for you.
And
all right.
Thanks to the Possibilon, or I still can't pronounce it.
The Possibilon.
Possibilon. Possibilon.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot, and we'll see you another time.
Take care, Norm. Happy to. It was great seeing you, man.
Yeah, as always.
All right, who wants to go next? Who's wanting to go next? Anyone? Liz, do you want to go next?
I'm happy to go next.
Okay. Well, here's the glasses, but before I give you those glasses, let me just select you as the person that the possible. First of all, let's just have the Possibilon wander around for a minute.
Sure.
There we go. Just give Possibilon some space to chill out for a minute. Bye-bye.
Absolutely.
There it is over there, wandering around, saying hi to Circuitry, and saying bye to Circuitry. Hi, bye. Hello? Hey, where are you going? I know you want to talk to me. You want to talk to me, don't you? No, you don't? You sure? Okay, fine. All right, so, anyway. All right, let's get you set up here. So let's tell the Possibilon you're next. I see your name here in the appointment list. All right, there we go. Possibilon's waiting for you. Just put on the glasses. Right there. Just grip them, put them on your face. They're right over here.
Be outside of my body again. Whoa.
Oh, I know that out-of-body experience. Yeah.
Great job, Lucas. You got a lot of polish to this. Great job, man.
Oh yeah, Lucas did a great job. Yeah, Lucas and Guillermo did fantastic work. So did you, Circuitry.
They are awesome.
You all did fantastic work.
You know what? I think I'm gonna have to relog
Okay.
because I'm outside of my body here. Can I?
Here.
Get...
Yeah, I'll take the glasses off you. If you
Yes,
don't mind.
please.
Actually, I can't. Uh-oh. They're
Okay,
stuck.
hang on.
Into
I will.
I can change what? Control? Oh yeah. Haha.
Yeah,
Got them off
control.
your face. Haha. Thanks to Lucas. Okay, so
I will
all right.
return.
All right, see you soon. Shall I give an appointment while we need to come back, or should just
Sure,
wait for you?
absolutely.
Okay. All
Sorry
right.
about that.
No worries. No, yeah. See you momentarily.
Okay.
All right. Hey, Halt, you want to try it?
Sure. I mean, I'm a newbie to NEOS, so it would benefit me if it makes good recommendations.
It does. It makes you good. Well, I believe good recommendations. Certainly weird
Okay.
ones. In fact, the more targeted recommendation you want, then you can look at the tags carefully and see how much you like the tags or dislike the tags of the worlds, and that will give you a more tailored answer anyway, the more you do that. Okay. All right, so let's make Halt now the next appointee. Hold on. I'll just select you as the next appointee. There you go. Now you can wear the glasses. Now you should be able to see text within those glasses telling you what to do. Or
Okay,
he's talking
please
to you.
ensure you are standing in front of me.
Yep, stand in front. Okay, let's watch. It's going to scan you. There we go. Being scanned. And you have no COVID. No, that's good. All right, so yeah, just fill out those tags. This one is don't care. Which tags do you not care about to see in the world?
Oh, okay.
Just pick those tags if you can read them. You might have to go right up to the tags. They're kind of small, but you can still see them, hopefully. Yeah, and make sure you actually trigger them. If you trigger them, then the arrow will be replaced by the word you selected. So if you trigger one...
Okay, what's a social level abandoned?
How social do you want to be? Are you like introvert, extrovert?
Oh, okay.
Some places have a lot of people, right?
Mm.
Like a nightclub or whatever, right? Kind of place, right? Versus like, chill out world or whatever, yeah?
Okay, that's kind of hard to answer because I like different things at different times.
That's okay. Contradictions are what a quantum computer figures out. You can even contradict yourself around the world table here. Right now, which tags do you not necessarily care about? Yeah, it does. In that way. There you go. Yeah, just fill out all those. I know it's like a long survey, but the more you fill it out and consider it, the more you'll get a targeted response. Possibilon will think more about your
And
questions.
can you pick more than one?
Just one per category. But you can go around the table and pick them again in different kind of context. Yeah. So... How you doing, guys?
Hey,
Trying to take a photo.
I didn't see anything on YouTube. Were you streaming on YouTube as well?
No, I'm on Twitch, and they'll be imported to YouTube later.
Okay, all right.
The recording. So if you go to... Yeah, you're on Twitch. You already know about Twitch.
Yeah,
You
I
sent a text
just wanted
message
to
already,
confirm the YouTube.
Yeah, absolutely. There will be YouTube, but it has to render, then it gets uploaded to YouTube.
All
So
right.
it won't be a live YouTube. It's a live Twitch, but then it gets archived onto.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. Okay. Back to Halt. Let's see what Halt's doing over here. Okay. This is the longest part of the process: is filling out this extensive survey. Once you've done that, you've done all
Time
the
of day old. That's not a time of day, is it?
the past.
Okay.
Not quite the time of day, is it, though? Yeah, some of this is very poetic and weird.
Yeah.
Okay, and you just go around filling out all the... Now, this one is for tolerable. Which tags do you tolerate? You might not necessarily like or dislike, but if they show up, you're not going to cry. Also, if you want, there's a slider down there. That's how intense you tolerate all these tags once you're done. If you want to do that. You can also adjust the slider to the other one if you want. It's just, there's degrees. We have all these degrees to how much you think of these tags. Even in contradictory ways. And then the Possibilon will use a quantum computer to solve those contradictions, to resolve them. I'm just going to talk to myself using Twitch for a minute. So what I forgot to mention is the Possibilon, after you select your preferences, will quickly scan the worlds of the world table. It happened so quickly last time because the quantum result happened almost immediately with Norm when he tried it. So we have these worlds on the table here, and the Possibilon does actually, you'll see the Possibilon quickly scanning the worlds and also understanding the world activity. These are all world bubbles here. And if I were to click on the world, which I'm not going to, I would actually go to one of these worlds. These are all user-created worlds within NEOS. And anyway, as soon as Halt here finishes the survey and confirms it, then the Possibilon scans the world table here to see what worlds are popular right now as well. And then the Possibilon will consult the quantum computer. And then the result will appear, as you saw before, this flashing kind of collectible globe. All right, and that's the gift that Halt will get. So, what was I going to say? Pat the Cat asks, so even future published worlds would populate? Yes, I think if I understand your question, Pat the Cat. Yeah, I think that's the case, yeah. Right now what you're seeing are currently open worlds. As soon as a user enters a NEOS world, it opens up on a world table for other people to see and maybe join. See, like here, there's, I don't know if you can see this, there's 2 people. There's the number 2 here. 2 people are in this world. 2 people are in this world right now. 1 person's in that world over there. There's a popular one over here. Gamer Girl Space has 8 people in it right now. Popular. All right. But what you might not see, because it's so quick, is the Possibilon scanning the worlds after Halt's done, before she sees a result. Before the Possibilon delivers the result for Halt. Okay, so Halt's almost done here. I see a couple tags not quite selected yet, so...
Oh, no.
That's okay. That's okay. Take your time. Take your time. Think carefully about what you would like. Yeah, so some of the tags you've selected that you really want to see in a world, you've already done that mostly. And there's some tags for what you don't want to see at all, like the kind of tags you hate to see in a possible world. And after all that's done, then the Possibilon scans the world table here, based on the worlds that are currently open. And then the Possibilon will use its brain to consult the quantum computer, and then the results come back into the side of NEOS here. So that's how this virtual being works. I should emphasize that the Possibilon doesn't really have a gender. I say he, but I don't mean it as a male necessarily. It's just a gender-neutral alien being. Sometimes by default I just say he, but it's not really anything to do with that. Okay. Alright, let's see who's around. Okay. So, it takes time. This is the longest part of the process. And here's Circuitry taking some camera. Hi! Am I interrupting the camera screen? Hello! Say cheese! Okay. Thanks. I'm such a narcissist, I gotta go show up for every camera possible. Here's my selfie. Alright. See? Now I'm in love with myself. Look at this. I will save it because I need more pictures of myself. Okay. Oh, that's a good one. I like that one. Ooh, that's an action shot there, Circuitry. I'm into it. Okay, I'm going to, oh, I saved that already, so I'm going to destroy these now. I have them. Oh, okay. It looks like Norm and Liz are following the Twitch channel from outside VR. Oh, yeah, that's the, okay, sorry. I'm just get easily distracted. Hello, everyone. There's currently 10 people following the channel. Hello. Here. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Let's go back to Halt and see how she's doing with the world table here. How's it going, Halt?
Just still going down the choices.
Awesome. Take your time. I'm glad you're taking time to consider each of the options. Then the personalized gift you get will be much more personal for you.
Okay, so I think I got them all.
I see a couple that are still not done. You see some that are just arrows without text in them. That means they're not done yet.
Oh.
Like the infrastructure? Yeah.
I missed one. Okay.
Yeah, sometimes you didn't trigger it or something, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. And then there's some others, I think. Let's see here. I'll just proof it for you. There's one down here. Environmental features.
Oh, okay. This is really want.
Yeah, what do you really want from environmental features?
Sure, I just pick one kind of semi-randomly. And...
Yeah, it's up to you.
Looks all good.
Looks all good. And you happy with the sliders of intensity for really want or uncomfortable or don't want? You can customize that too if you want.
Well, I used to think I was indecisive, but now I'm not sure.
Now you're not sure. You're indecisive about the indecisiveness? That's kind of meta. Oh, you're welcome, Norm, for the quantum gift. I'm glad you're watching from Twitch, too. I hope you're having a good dinner while watching Twitch. All right. Oh, there you go. It scanned the table of worlds already. It already scanned this world table, and look what you got. You got a gift from the quantum computer. So, do you see what it says in the tags here?
Okay, yeah.
It says, I've chosen these world tags for you. Grid, Loft, Chat, Night, and Old. And these are the most similar worlds to what you want or don't want, and all
Okay.
those things, all considered for you. These are the top worlds that match all of those things.
Okay.
And so that's your gift, and you can save it to your inventory by just gripping it. And you know that flying menu you have, like the walking flying menu on your right hand? Yeah, there you go. Saved inventory, yeah?
Okay. Looks like I don't have the option to save to inventory. That's weird.
You probably were on a folder you cannot save to. In your
Oh,
inventory.
okay.
All right, you have to make a special inventory place for your yeah.
Oh, okay.
Can I have a look at this world before you save it?
Sure.
Just want to grab it. See, I'm allowed to grab things, and I can look. I don't know. Yeah, people should be able to see in here. It says I've chosen these world tags for you. That is possible. I'm choosing them: grid, loft, chat, night, and old. Nice. These are the possible worlds. Looks like Halt can go to the Cineworld Cineplex, or she can go to the OEB lobby. These are all user-created worlds. I mean, they're titled by users. One's called To Sleep. Yeah, I don't blame Halt for wanting to sleep. Gamer Girl Grid Space. Good choice. There's 9 people in there right now. Popular World. One Fiddy Project. I have no idea what that is, but there you go.
Okay, let me
Now
see
try.
if I can save it now.
Yeah, see if you can save it.
Okay, yeah, I can.
Fantastic. So that's your special gift. You have it to save her forever. Possibilon gave you that gift. And
Okay.
if I'll just destroy it from the space for a minute, just to reduce latency. But you have it, right?
Yep.
Before I destroy this? Okay, let me destroy it. Poof. Okay. All right. Oh, look, we got a little thanks a lot, Halt. And then if you want to take off the glasses, someone else can use it.
Oh yeah, I forgot I had them on.
That's okay. I know. That's the immersion part, right? Meta VR. You don't even know you're wearing glasses in VR, right? That's the thing. Okay, let me just tell Possibilon to go hang out. There we go. Okay, Possibilon's away. Thanks so much, Halt. And okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at this photo booth. Look, Circuitry's got some photos here. Fantastic. Let's see. Excellent. Look at this. We got pictures of yourself. If you want, you can grab these and save them to your inventory or save a screenshot to your computer directly. These are like tourist souvenir photos of you interacting with the Possibilon, so feel free to select a photo like you are right now and save it to your inventory if you like. They're wonderful images. Yeah, your choice. You can select as many as you want or as few as you want.
Oh, thank you.
You are most welcome. And I'm going to go talk to someone else. Let's see. Who's next? Who wants to go next? I mean, you guys have already... Actually, Circuitry, you've actually tried it recently? Do you want to try it? Are you muted?
I think you muted.
Oh.
Oh, I was totally muted.
Oh, actually, Liz is back. So maybe if either you can or Liz can.
Yeah, go ahead,
This is
Liz,
just-
and I'll take pictures.
Yeah, I think she's just logging in now. Welcome back, Liz.
Thank you.
Halt just went, so oh, it's okay.
It went all funny.
That's okay. How are you? How's your headset now? Is it good?
Good. It's all good, man.
All good. You can feel your body. You have an inside body experience now.
That's right. I am fully embodied.
That's awesome. Why don't you feel free to try out the Possibilon? So how about I give you the well, let me just get the Possibilon set up for you then. All right, Possibilon, time to talk to Liz. Back at the table.
Ooh.
All right, let's get the glasses. Here you go. Just
Whoops.
grab them, put them on your face like real glasses.
Okay.
Awesome. Looking good. Looking good. Looking very cyber. And just see what the
Alright.
Possibilon says to you.
Okay, I will quickly scan your avatar for identification. Uh-oh.
Yeah. I should have signed a privacy waiver form, shouldn't I? For the
Annie.
Possibilon. Aliens don't respect
Avatar
privacy, sorry.
Identification complete. Awesome. Very exciting. Please select items in each of the drop-down menus in front of the world table. What's tolerable? Night.
Take your time. You've all the time in the world.
I want a forest with water.
Secretary's taking action shots here. Action camera shots. Awesome, awesome. Okay, I'll just twitch back to Jim here. Hey Jim, thanks for watching the Twitch stream. So glad you could check it out. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, we'll see you in the mundane world tonight. In the land of the so-called real, which is not technically this one, I guess, or I have no idea. Anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Thanks so much for checking out Twitch stream, Jim and Natalie, who's with Jim. And that's awesome. Everyone else, thanks for staying on Twitch. Feel free to text on Twitch. I can actually go over to the Twitch stream channel here and read all your text. See, here's Jim's text. That's how I know you exist onto Twitch. All right, and everyone else too. So I'm definitely paying attention, and also I don't even have to go to this screen. I can actually read using a special user interface on my camera control right now. So I can even read your texts over here. Speaking of texts, Liz is here picking some world tags.
Interesting.
She's currently selecting tags and world tags that she didn't care about. And now the next one is what she doesn't want to see in a world.
I'm trying to create a few contradictions too.
Good.
For fun.
Good, you can in the quantum computer.
For the quantum computer, yeah.
You can. You know how these work, that's why.
Definitely don't want...
I don't know, Twitchers, if you can see this, but there's animated globes inside of the Possibilon. I can even reach inside. Also, there's a reflective kind of quantum mirror that Possibilon has. I don't know if it's turning up well on Twitch here, but you probably just saw Circuitry's reflection behind me taking a picture.
All right. And...
How you doing, Liz?
I'm doing good. Now, do I need to submit anything? No.
Once your tags are done on every table.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, you can also change the sliders down here
to
be how intense you are about being comfortable or tolerable. Or there's a slider down below each one. So.
Gotcha. And what's this one? Stuff I would like?
Yeah. Okay, Norm, I saw your Twitch message. Have a great dinner, Norm, with you and your family. I'd be happy to. I'd be happy to live stream for you. So one of these days. So just keep in touch and keep on composing in the real world. In other words, this world. I'm talking to Norm here.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for coming again, Norm. It's really great to see you in here. Norm, we've known for many years. The amazing artist in his own right.
Yeah, Norm's awesome. Yeah.
We met in Second Life, where.
Yeah.
We still see each other on occasion.
Yeah, what a great guy.
Yeah, Norm's the best man.
And so many great people following on Twitch now, including another well-known new media artist friend, Jim Andrews. He was on watching with his wife Natalie, is another friend of mine. He's also a great scholar of new media. All right. So many good people on here. All right.
Throw a bit of Halloween in there. Why not?
Why not, huh? Halloween. Why not? It's always Halloween. Right, Alex? It's always Halloween. When you're a bat in VR, it's always Halloween, right? Totally right.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. How's it going, Halt? Good. Yeah. Excellent. What's that sound? Doo-doo.
Okay, I think I have filled in all my...
You filled in all your stuff? There's some music or something going on?
Submit here.
Yeah, you just hit submit. Make sure all the tags are filled in. I can proof it for you if you like. Oh, there's a tag here to select over here.
Oh, if I miss one,
It's a giant
no
screen.
good.
See all the tags open there? Yeah. Just pick one there, and
Oh,
yeah, you can make sure
didn't
there's a
pick
word.
One. I thought I did.
Yeah,
Sorry.
that's okay.
Damn.
And there's another one here, environmental features. And here,
where?
over here, next to it, cultural theme.
Cultural theme. Oh,
No, that
I
one,
see,
that
yeah.
one. Yeah.
I got
Anything
you.
without a word in it, basically.
No, wait. Yeah, no, we'll let it be space. Okay, cool.
I'll proof it for you. I think you're probably done. Oh, there's one more over here.
Okay.
Really
What's wrong
want
with me?
environmental features. That's okay.
Sure. Let's see. Island. Okay.
All right. Now are you ready to submit?
I believe so.
And then they'll say, "Are you sure?" Because they want to make sure
sure?
you're. Okay, get ready
Yeah.
for it. He's scanning the world table now for a few seconds, and there it is.
It's
That's your result.
magic.
There it is. That's your result.
Gamer
Watch the.
Girl Grid Space. I like. Uba Lobby. Sure, why not? New and experienced players welcome. That sounds a little suspicious. And
Just don't click on the
ramps.
worlds. But look, the text is
Amazing.
fading, appearing.
So pretty.
The text will appear in
Yes,
here in a minute.
I've chosen these tags for you. Town, Loft,
You need to
Gravity,
grab the
Movie,
orb for it to
Social,
stop shining.
and Tron. Grab
Sorry.
the... Hi, Lucas.
Grab the sphere for it to start sparkling.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. Amazing.
Looks good.
I love it.
So it's
Love.
here we go. Now you can see the tags. Yeah. Save it. Yeah,
I
it's
love.
yours.
It's
your
very
collectible.
pretty, too. I love the aesthetics here. Lovely.
Awesome.
Save to inventory. It won't let me save to inventory.
Oh, you got to make a folder, I think, for it first.
You need to be in a folder you can save in.
Yeah.
Open.
So if I want add, I think I have kissed successfully. Yay, team!
Yay.
That's wonderful, Jeremy. I love it. And
Thank you so much,
everyone,
Liz.
Way to go. Yeah,
you so much.
pretty.
Yeah, I'm going to tell the Twitch people that Liz actually has her own quantum NPC called the Songstress. And we displayed the Songstress, that was, how long ago was that, Liz? That was like, it was like, how long ago? Like a month ago?
3 weeks ago, I think, at the end of December.
End of December,
but
yeah.
I think we're going to do another event now where we show these babies again in the month of January, hopefully, so that we can, just play with them some more.
Awesome. Yeah, definitely. We'll leave the quantum computer open for the Songstress to do more queries. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, as part of our grant, everyone, as part of our grant, everyone, Liz and I made an NPC each, a non-player character each, for our grant to use the D-Wave Quantum Annealer. And I made this Possibilon, and Liz made her Songstress. And, yeah.
Yeah, the songstress is a composer of lyrics or poetry using the quantum computer, but also incorporating some machine learning and artificial intelligence. And the songstress writes lyrics after my own work, so she's like a virtual me. Except, like Jeremy's piece, I think it's really neat. We've both gone super environmental with the NPCs, where there's sort of feels like there's multiple moving parts to them, and the NPC is for me feels like it's a little more than just this object here.
Yeah.
That the whole environment is kind of a part of the entity.
Oh,
I don't
totally.
know if that's the way you feel about your world, but that's how it feels to me.
Yeah, I feel like the environment is part of it. It's to situate the virtual character, the virtual being, into its own home. Because it's not just about the NPC, it is about the whole world here, like this Possibilon here, for example. So there's pictures in the photo gallery that Circuitry's assembled over there. If you want a souvenir of you interacting over here with
Absolutely.
with the, oops, let me just point to the right thing here, to these photos here. You can try these photos out. You can save them if you like.
Storage. This
Where
is
they are.
so awesome.
Yeah, so help yourself to any photos you like in your inventory.
Colors on the go.
Some generative colors, yeah. Feel free to
Nice.
take a souvenir. And speaking of souvenirs, do you mind if I destroy the copy of your world?
No, please go ahead.
I mean, it's beautiful and all, but all right. Now, let's see who else might want to join. I'm going to see if there's anyone online I can bug to bring over. I'm going to see if VR Exist wants to come over. I sent him an invite, which you can't see here. Anyone else want to try it while waiting for anyone?
Yeah, I can go.
Go ahead, Alex, please, by all means.
All right.
So, Alex here is the quantum programmer. He helped allow the Possibilon's mind to communicate with the quantum annealer, the 5,000 qubit quantum annealer. So it's thanks to Alex that the Possibilon can even communicate from NEOS to a quantum computer.
Hey, Alex.
So, okay, Alex,
All
feel
right, so
free
Liz
to...
still has the glasses.
Oh, right.
Oh, sorry.
You're hogging the glasses,
didn't
Liz.
realize.
You can't just be cyber all the time. All right.
All right,
No, I'm
You
just
don't
kidding.
even know you're wearing them.
That's right, right?
I know,
Okay, here.
it's pretty cool though.
Okay, let me select Alex here. Okay, Alex, Possible one's all
sorry.
yours. Yeah,
Yeah,
wear them and then,
so
yeah.
So I just wanted to kind of explain the table over here because I think there's a lot of people outside NEOS who don't even know what the table is for.
Sure.
And I mean, I'm kind of new to the NEOS world. And basically, you know, before when I first joined, there used to be the table in the room. And this is how you can go to different worlds. So you can grab a world and you can see that each of the worlds have, different names, like Chill Space over here, and there's Snupster, Chris Space. So there's these different worlds, and the question is, which world should I go to? So that's what Possibilon does, is it reads my avatar, collects the tags that I input, and then all that data is sent over to the quantum computer, which is basically the D-Wave annealer. And what we do there is we try to look for the most optimal tags based on everything I selected, and then associate those to worlds that are on this world table. So it will then give me back the worlds that are most optimal for what I selected. So that's really what's happening. And so I'm going to try it out, see if it works. All right.
Need to get scanned, right?
It's not saying anything yet. Let's see.
Oh, did I select you? I think I selected you. Let me just double check here.
Maybe there's a time limit for.
No, I don't think so. Here we go. Seeing anything now? Maybe put him back on. You
Yep,
maybe
now
waited
I
too
see
long.
it. Now
Okay.
I see it. Please ensure you're standing in front of me.
Yeah.
I will quickly scan your avatar for identification. And yeah, this is the part where the Possibilon scans and takes a picture of me and then uses AI to get information about me.
That's right, and that was thanks to Guillermo, who's a wonderful machine learning programmer and the founder of the Oxford AI Society. So he was doing all this machine learning to actually have the Possible and recognize Alex's avatar here.
So does it use the avatar as input for your preferences?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. In fact, I don't know, maybe I should reveal it, but the avatar is actually, or sorry, the Possibilon, I hate to say it, is stereotyping you.
Oh.
And your preferences.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I shouldn't say it in front of the Possibilon. I could get in trouble. But basically, the Possibilon's judgmental. So the Possibilon
okay.
has biased preferences about based on what you look like, what it thinks you would like in a world.
Okay, I'm gonna have to find a wrestler avatar just to see what it's gonna say.
Oh no! Don't traumatize the Possibilon, okay? I don't have enough. We don't have enough budget money to cover therapy here for the poor creature. So but yeah. So the Possibilon scans you, stereotypes you, and then thinks about the tags that you should like based on superficially how you look. And then you put in your preferences, right, which you've done. And then it actually quickly scans. It does it very quickly because the quantum computer is so fast. But it does then quickly scan the worlds on the table for what's popular right now in terms of the tags. And integrates all of that information into giant spreadsheets of information, like matrices. And then the output is the annealed compromise between stereotype preferences, your preferences, and the popular worlds right now at the time that you've done the query. So it takes a snapshot of the world. So actually there's machine learning. The Possibilon actually can visually recognize the images on the globes. It's pretty crazy, really. It can actually do that. And then extract tags from that.
All right,
So it can see a green world and use the word green, for example. Oh, okay. Right on, Alex. So,
no, it says please select all. So I missed one.
Let's proof it. Let's proof it for you. Over here.
Missed something.
Over here, tolerable. This one's not filled out yet. This one over here is not filled out yet, Alex. A bunch of arrows here. Yeah. I know it takes time. That's the hardest part, right?
You can grab these and take a screenshot if you want.
Yeah, feel free. Mm-hmm.
So, will it save to my computer or just to my inventory?
It saves to your computer.
Okay, great.
There's a setting to save to your inventory, but it's your computer.
Oh, did I miss one over there?
I think time of day you missed.
All right. Tolerable, no creator. All right, now where did I miss that one? Time of day. Oh, I didn't complete it. Like it was in the.
Oh, someone new is showing
I
up.
did that too, where I thought I clicked something and I didn't. So.
Yeah, it takes time. That's the only cumbersome part is to make sure you filled everything out. And we have, I think, Chaos Princess here from Germany. Hey, how you doing? Hey,
so stoked. That's
how you doing? Hey.
Now that I'm here, I was good before, but now I know what fantastic is. Wow,
welcome to the world.
Amazing.
Let me introduce you to some people. Here's Halt, good friend from VR Chat. This is Chaos, good friend from all sorts of worlds in virtuality. And this is...
I love your avatar and your username.
Thank you.
That's my favorite show ever.
Oh, right, it's a TV show, isn't it? Like a Netflix kind of show.
It's awesome. It's about like all big hopes, big falls, tech fails.
Oh my god,
but
crazy.
Happening to a single company with like totally cute and sympathetic characters. And actually, your avatar also looks a bit like the Coda girl ones.
It's purely accidental because I actually didn't see the show. I got it from 80s microprocessor joke, which is probably where the name came from the show.
Yeah, you gotta watch the show, and I love that avatar.
Yeah, thank you.
I actually like the halt problem, the halting problem in Universal Turing Machines. That's what I like about the halt part. But anyway, that's totally nerdy, isn't it? Anyway,
you have to explain that to me later.
I will. You'll love it. Oh, this is Alex. This is Chaos Princess. Alex is the quantum programmer for the quantum computer.
Hi, Alex.
He's at. There you go. Yeah, it's a German thing for sure. Yeah, Europeans are way more kissy than at least us repressed North Americans that get easily.
And we are just so hungry for it with all that pandemic stuff.
Oh right,
so
right.
We're totally out.
Well, no masks needed here. And so Chaos is an artist in her own right. She might even work with quantum computing from the sounds of it and NPCs. She's working her thesis about all that. So fantastic. And Yeah.
All right,
And-
so I've got everything filled out
Oh.
over here,
Sure.
and so I'll just submit it.
Oh, you did.
All
Okay.
right.
Did you put? Are you sure?
Yep, I'm going to click it right now. So
Okay, here we go.
ready,
Watch the possible and give the
set,
answer.
Wow.
Go. Scanning the
Thanks for
table,
selecting.
and
All right, so
there we go. Boom.
come the words already.
There it is.
All
Wow.
It's
right.
fast. All right. There you go.
Wow.
So
Oh, that's cool.
we try to just give back 5 of the most optimal choices. We narrow down the tags so that they're optimal, and then we associate the worlds that are closest to that. Sometimes we get a lot more worlds, but we just bring out the 5 top values. And so you've chosen the world tags for you: forest, museum, hangout, social, Halloween, and creator. And then based on that, these are the worlds that should be they should have the right these tags inside them. So does that hangout, social, Halloween, and creator? I don't see anything with Halloween on this.
Oh, I didn't like Halloween enough then.
So this one is a green meadow. And
Oh,
Well,
yeah,
this one's
so it's looking at the
this
picture
one is-
inside the world to do this.
this one is some Japanese dining room.
How can be
This one
Japanese,
also we
right?
have here.
How can be Japanese? Oh, you can't?
Oh,
I
here,
thought you could.
here
I'm
we
sorry.
have a nice garden.
Oh, you could.
And this one is checkerboard garden. And
Yeah, so they
sleep
all
should
seem to be like
self-telling.
green,
But it makes
artistic,
total
social.
sense.
I don't know about Halloween. I don't think there's anything
Green-
Halloween there.
Oh, here it is. Here the Halloween's in
hangout.
here. Rusty Bot's home just showed up. There's a new world that showed up. And your it's live. This orb is live, so new worlds, possible worlds might show up based on your assessment, right? The possible assessment of you.
What are like the bottom data? Like how many worlds does it choose from?
It gives
All
this,
of those. It started from all of the worlds.
it
that were
scans the
there.
world table live. Yeah.
And how does it learn the prompt, the input prompt words?
Okay, so I think I saved it.
wait.
I saved it already.
See, all right. Let me just
So I'm
go to
good.
Twitch for a minute, and then we'll let Chaos try it. Let me just do a
All right.
Twitch greeting. Hey, Sandra, I see your Twitch stream. Thanks so much for attending this VR event from the Twitch side of the screen. Soon you'll get VR gear, as you said, and
So
you
I'm
can
gonna
join me on
get to
the
float around over here.
virtual metaverse side of the screen. And then you'll see how much more immersive and how much more present everything is and how much more trippy everything is in psychedelics. So thanks so much, Sandra, for attending the Twitch stream.
Such a nice pitch.
And yeah, I can't wait to see you as well, Sandra, inside of here. So the other side of the grid. So thanks so much for spending time. Okay.
Click on the world.
Okay,
There's
back
many
to the
times
people
I've
in
been
the
holding this and then
virtual world
accidentally
here.
Clicked on the world and went
Oh
in there.
my goodness, Jeremy, this is amazing.
Oh, you like it? Cool. Okay, awesome. You want to try it out? You want to try talking to Possibilon?
Totally.
So let me select you as the next appointment. And then, you got to take off the glasses, Alex. I know you want to hog them, but
Oh yeah.
I know it makes everyone very vain and they want to keep the glasses.
There should be like a message and you're saying, okay, time to let go.
Please take off the glasses. Please, pretty please.
Take off the
Hey,
glasses.
how are you? Good to
All right. there you-
Awesome, since I'm here now. That's
Yay.
so cool.
I know, isn't it amazing?
So-
I love it.
Although, I have to say that this quantum demo is a lot less soul crushing than the last one. And
No, this could be secretly soul crushing. The worlds I recommend could be like really depressing. But
Yeah, we have to do some risk management.
So yeah, definitely. That's where we start making the money. This is where we get a therapist NPC we bring in for your counseling after,
Yes.
and that's where we charge a lot of Bitcoin from your Ethereum. So that's how we really are making the money here. Yeah.
so
Okay.
I guess that's what's the third. You're working on the therapy NPC.
Yeah, the therapy NPC. That's really
Good idea.
That's what we've been working towards, hasn't it, Liz? We didn't tell anyone until
Yeah,
they're sufficiently traumatized. Yeah.
That would be my total dream, to have like a working therapy bot, or at least
It
like
would be interesting
life
to
coach.
know that.
Oh my God! Speaking of therapy, okay, let's make you the next appointment. All right. There you go, Chaos Princess. The possible one's all yours. Just wear the glasses behind you, the virtual glasses, the virtual glasses, and I'll just close Alex's world here.
Okay, who am I wearing them now? Yes.
They're over your. They're kind of behind your eyes. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Is that your avatar?
Yeah,
or?
it's because my avatar has a large head.
That's cool. As long as you can see. Can you see some text?
I can see very good, and no, I can't see text.
Maybe turn around and face the Possibilon. See any text yet? Do you see it darker over your eyes, like wearing sunglasses?
It became darker, but I don't know if it might have slipped behind my eyes.
Try and put it in front of your eyes.
Yeah. Let's do that again. Does it attach?
You gotta hold it and grip it, and then put it on your eyes. Like, yeah. Oh, it went behind your eyes. Weird.
Yeah, I got the
looks
wrong
like
avatar.
it's-
Let me switch into a different avatar. 1 second.
Okay, yeah, that's weird.
Okay.
You're just
Sorry
too cyber for
being
the
such a-
glasses. That's okay. You're just way too cyberpunk for the glasses.
I went with the avatar. I went for like Betty Page measurements and or no, no. How's the I mean the anime girl, not the real life girl. Forget the name. Whatever. I went anime style, and that's
okay.
why my head's so big.
Yeah, that's wrong with being anime. Yeah, in VR chat, that's where you get a lot of that. Well, actually, you're anime kind of right now, or are you anime? Paul?
Yeah,
Sometimes you say
it's-
some people aren't really anime when I thought they were.
Yeah, this is based on an anime, so
Awesome. Awesome. You truly are anime this time. Okay. Because I remember you were saying in VR chat, when I wear an anime avatar, it's not really anime, or I don't know. You're the connoisseur,
Yeah.
so. Okay. Anyway. So, all right. You're still Cyberpunk 2077 over there. In a good way. All right, I'm gonna look at the photos while waiting.
Inventory. Sorry,
nice
I had the
photos.
wrong.
I'm gonna grab this. Have a look.
All right. So Jamie, my son
yeah.
is in the system, and he sent you an invite.
Oh, you sent me an invite. Okay, on the NEOS. All right.
Chaos Princess.
He has to add me as a friend first, I think. What's his name?
That's the alien.
I'm not sure what his name is. Let's
I need
see.
to know that.
Hopefully. But okay.
Let's see.
Yeah. There
I
you go.
see letters.
hey,
Please ensure you're standing. Let's
Yeah.
quickly stand. Yes.
Stand in front of the Possibilon over there, behind you. Yeah. Thanks, Hal.
Nice. Like
Appreciate it. You got scanned.
Cool.
And now,
Oh,
Nice,
I know who
nice,
he is.
nice. Okay. What?
Accept request.
yeah. So just go to those drop-down menus.
Jeremy?
Which, yeah. mhm.
Did you get a request from the Bard of Light?
Okay.
Oh, Oh, yes, I did now.
That's my son.
Okay, I've accepted. Now I can invite him here. All right. Okay, I invited him.
All right.
Yeah. So these are the world tags, chaos, that you don't care about seeing in a world. And you can select on the slider how much. See, it says "don't care" at the top here. These are the tags you don't care about seeing in a world. And you can select how much you don't care by the slider down below too, if you want. You can go around the table.
Oh, that's nice. Wow. So I can go like I want to be super social.
This is don't care right now. This is the don't care menu.
What?
So these are tags you don't care about.
Shoot,
don't
no.
care about. And it's a bit weird.
Okay, so is it like negative selection from the beginning, or?
No. So this is, you see the heading here, don't care. Which tags do you not care to see either way? Let's say it's just a possible world. You won't be upset if
So
But you won't be
here
happy-
is
you
the
don't care.
ones. Here's the
social.
ones I opt out of.
That you don't care about seeing. Either way, you just don't care about it.
Okay.
If it shows up, you know, it's a bit like there's another one called Tolerate, which is similar to that. Which tags do you tolerate?
I think we have 6 people in here already. So
Okay, I
Yep,
go.
I maxed it at 8 in the world.
max at 8. Okay, all right.
I made it 8 max, so it doesn't never overloads. Well, almost never. Hey there, Bard of Light. Nice to meet you. You might want to put some headphones on or something because you're feeding back a bit.
Oh, okay. Hold on one sec.
No worries. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, welcome.
Also, there's a limit of 8, but if you invite somebody, if the host invites somebody, they can override it.
Oh, they
like,
can.
join
Oh.
even though it's full.
Okay, so I can invite more people if I wanted to, if it's not too laggy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool,
Hey,
cool.
then.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. I
So,
think there's a. I'm not sure if there's an echo. Are you hearing anything on your speaker or on the TV?
No, it's just my headset.
All right.
okay. That's all good. Do you want an avatar? Right now you're kind of plain looking. If I don't mind if you're plain looking. But if you want to look like Quantum VR over here, then...
Let's see. I imagine I saw that there was like an avatar selection thing.
yeah, there is. So if you go to
I
your
don't have a ton
inventory...
of time at the moment.
Oh, okay. No
I
worries.
gotta pick up Anna from school in a little bit.
Okay. All right. All right.
But
So-
I came mostly to see what you've been working on, Dad.
Oh.
Pretty weird, isn't it, to see your dad, is it, as a bat?
Yep.
Your bat dad.
We've been in VR a lot, so
Jeremy-
he's
Oh,
probably
okay.
not too surprised.
Okay, that's good.
Stupid question. So
course.
here I input everything I
When
don't
do you-
want to see.
Don't care to see.
Put it on.
When
Put
do you
it
have
on
to
the
go,
slider.
get Anna?
How
much you don't
least I
care.
Half an hour?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
that's
right.
fine. It'll probably take like
So
5
all the
minutes
stuff
to
which are
get through
entered
this.
here I won't
And then
see.
you can spend 5 minutes on it.
You might
Do
see.
the opposite.
You might see, because you don't care about it either way.
I'm like maybe like a 5-minute drive.
You
from
might
Anna,
see.
so it's not really a big deal.
Okay.
I can probably spend,
In general, this is
20 minutes.
the opt out.
Alright.
Don't search for it.
So
Yeah.
It's another category of
So
don't
the way,
want.
if you want to put an
So
avatar on, you press
Oh,
your
okay.
trigger, your
Yeah,
trigger
you'll see.
that
You go
opens
around the
up
whole. That's right. Halt's right. So you go around the whole table,
menu screen,
and you get
I
all
see
different
the
kinds of
full
preferences
body
for these tags.
avatar/cowboy.
You're getting very specific as to how much you really want to see tags versus
go to
not want to see them
inventory.
or don't care about them. Or
Oh, inventory. Okay, never mind.
you'll see the same tags over and over on each of these tables, but you're just
Alright, I
selecting
see.
intensity
you don't have to
preferences.
go there. You can
NEOS.
cancel all of that out.
I get it. Okay.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
So.
All right.
And how? And is there also a different menu?
and
Another
then
menu?
from there-
Yeah, all around the table. All around the table.
You'll see NEOS.
I see.
Essentials.
Okay, now I
Yeah, and
get
it takes some
it.
time.
Thank
It takes a few
you.
minutes. It's the longest part of
Thank
the.
you.
Essentials.
So right now you're filling out the don't care menu.
Okay.
Then you go to the don't want menu. Then the comfortable menu. I know it's a lot, but
Yeah.
Bots or
Yeah.
one of those,
ones really want for tags you really hope to see.
and then just double click on.
Doesn't
that.
mean you will see them, but it's just showing your preferences.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now everything gets a chance. I'm very welcoming.
Yeah.
Oh, I see all of the ones that are in this room. I guess maybe they're standard.
Okay, so you would just double click on the one that you want,
That way.
and then
Yeah, let's start with the stuff I really want. Okay,
Yeah,
I
go for it.
want social. I want. Oop.
all right.
Don't
So
care.
if you show up now,
I
point at
want.
and then, so you still
evening.
point at it, and you'll see a laser come out
I
and touch
want.
it, and then click that button again and add it. All right.
See?
All right. So you got your you
I
got your
want.
avatar.
All right.
Cyberpunk.
Looking good. Firefox kind of, or MetaMask kind of guy. Awesome. This is Halt, by the way. I know Halt from VR Chat, the parallel universe of NEOS, parallel metaverse. and right now Chaos from Germany is she's selecting all the tags for the Possibilon, my NPC here.
I'm in the tunnel. I'm sorry.
No, take your time.
This is amazing.
Take your time.
It finally struck me what that thing reminds me of. It looks like a diatom with floating organelles in there.
It could be, It could be. That's one way to see it for sure. Did you check out the reflective mirror too? The quantum mirror? You can. I don't know if people can see in Twitch, but you can see my reflection in the shards, the mirrored shards there. It's a subtle thing. You have to go kind of around the. Maybe you can look at it from the back. Well, it looks better from the front of it, but if you. Yeah. Yeah. So just be careful, Bartolite. If you click on a globe, you accidentally go there. Just something to know. Yeah.
So yeah, most worlds have like, some of the worlds have this table, and then you can select which world you want to go to. You can grab the globe and look inside it. You can actually grab it and get close to it so you can see what's inside it. And then Possibilon is actually taking pictures of the images in the world to have AI tell it what kind of world it might be. It's looking at the colors and whether it's got like a forest inside there or desert inside there. And then you're going to select your own tags that you want, like some preferences, and then Possibilon scanning and the tags that you select over here are from the panel. All of that data gets put together, and then I send it to the D-Wave annealer, and annealer gives us like an optimal set of tags based on all of that information. And then we match that up to the worlds that are on this table. And so then in the end, you're going to get a set of five or less worlds that would be the ones you'd want to go to. So rather than picking from the 30 or worlds that are on the table, we're optimizing and saying these are the ones based on what we think you should really go to.
So
based on your preferences and based on the scanning of your avatar as well.
So is it actually scanning the table as it is?
Yep.
In which
the
case,
world's
if
on
there are
it.
a couple worlds that you had bad experiences with, could you just check them off the table and then let possible?
I think so. I think so.
That's a good question, because the scanning is happening on the table, right? Or are the worlds associated with the table, even
Lucas
if you
will
move
know.
them away?
Here's
So
Lucas,
you
who's now a
can't-
little guy.
Yeah, I'm just. Oh, so you can take words off and just destroy them, but the table automatically reloads it and gets it again. So unfortunately, you can't do that. Unless you do it right before you press submit and it scans the table, then it might work, and then you just don't see that world and the response.
Okay,
Does
so
it scan the
I think
location?
I've done enough. So now I press submit.
And over here,
there's some
you can
windows
see
still
the
open
actual
here, yeah.
conversation
That's what it's
happening
pointing
on Twitch.
Nice.
Please select all fields. Huh?
Yeah, these aren't selected here.
Yeah,
see the ones with
it's
the
like
big
all-
menu
I
there?
see.
You gotta click
okay.
on each. Make sure they're all just instead of the arrows by themselves or the giant lumps of
So
text
the
there.
data from
You make
here
sure it's
goes
just
on to
one
the
word in
URL.
each
They did,
slot.
they did programming
Okay,
in here,
okay. Yeah, they
should
and
all
there's
look
some
like,
JavaScript, I think,
this
in
here.
there as well.
Yeah,
And then
that's
that
right.
data goes on to the URL, and then I pick it up from the
Like
URL
which
and then
one?
process it.
like cultural
the
theme.
D-Wave.
It should also look like that. See, there's a word there.
Uh-huh.
You should all have words inside of here.
Yeah, and this one doesn't have a word in here.
Gotcha. Okay, so I put a word into every
That's right.
checkbox.
That's right.
Awesome.
By triggering the word you want once you select it.
Okay.
That's right. Yeah, Halt, to answer your question in terms of tags, there's a list of tags that we have in a database. That all the tags that users have created in NEOS, and then the NPC then does visual machine learning on the globes and ties them to the tags that are available. Yeah. And
So
those tags.
does it just symbolically do a scan on the table, or does it actually look at each world on the table as an object?
I'm not totally sure. I think Guillermo, the machine learning programmer, knows more about underneath everything. What's going on there?
So let's say that like there's a world that I particularly don't like, right? So then I could ask you to grab that world and just like hop on over there as I hit submit, right? And then does that world get omitted from that selection?
Yeah, I have to ask Guillermo about that in terms of the visual range of that.
Yeah.
Because I know he
Like
can
I
do
said,
that.
If you wanted
Lucas knows.
to exclude it, you need to destroy it. If you just shove it away, it still like exists and Possibilon like
So when you scan the table, you scan the objects that are related to it. So it's linked to the existence rather than to the CR locale.
I mean, I guess it's not showing, but on this screen. But
we hear you, Bard of Light. Your mic's open.
it's like an art down.
He's on the phone or something. This is what happens to avatars when they're on the phone in VR. It's like, can you hold for a minute, please? And you just flip around and.
That's what happens when you take off your headset and you put it down upside down.
Oh, that's what it is.
It tries to figure out, how the heck that can happen, and then the computer decides that, the only way that I can figure out you can do that is if you're upside down.
It's a way of being AFK. In the olden days, in the 90s, used to turn their heads upside down to make them AFK using the Traveler, for example. My former PhD supervisor, Steve, he made Digital Space Traveler in the 90s. The floating heads, I've talked to you about this before.
Yeah.
And these floating heads would actually turn upside down to say they were away. That's how they did the AFK thing. So.
So then if you had a happy face avatar and you turn it upside down, then, it's...
Hello?
Oh, sorry. I just lagged for a moment. So if you had a happy face and you turned it upside down, that's not a good thing, is it?
No, it's not a good thing. No, absolutely. Oh, Nex is here. Hey, Nexlan.
Hey.
How you doing? Nexlan is the producer of NEOS. He's the top Twitch streamer for NEOS, the official Twitch streamer for NEOS, everyone. He's the man. What can I say? How you doing?
Doing very good. I was actually going to be getting ready for my stream in about 40 minutes from now.
Oh, okay. I'd love to see your stream.
Yeah. It would have been better if you started out the stream during at like 5 p.m. Then I could have actually hosted for you.
Oh, that's hilarious. Well, maybe next time we'll do a private session where we just do this.
Yeah, we always host people. But yeah, so what's going on here? I feel like I've taking some good stuff.
No, it's awesome. So Chaos from Germany here is just finishing consulting the quantum NPC, the Possibilon.
I'm still totally focused on...
She's taking this large survey for my NPC to do a quantum, to consult the quantum computer for a result. So when she's done that, then Possibilon will give her a collectible possible world configuration of possible worlds she could visit based on her preferences. And it's all through quantum computing and machine learning.
Wow, so it's going to give her the perfect world?
The perfect kinds of worlds, with kinds of tags, and the most...
When you open it up, it's at the...
Wow.
So awesome. You'll see in a minute, and then you can try it after if you like.
No, it's
for sure. Yeah, I would love to.
Awesome.
Awesome. We were hearing while he was away or something.
So yeah.
I muted him.
And
sorry about that.
Oh no, that's
you got instructions on how to use it too. Is this gonna be? Is this for right now just something that's like private type thing, or is this gonna be published?
It's invite only. It's just if there's more than a few people, it just lags it down, right? That's the only.
Yeah.
I'd love to have people just here. I mean, the quantum computer is only going to be running till the end of February. So we have and then it won't work, right? Unless we paid more money to reactivate it.
Right. Is it costing quite a bit?
Yeah, it costs quite a bit. I think it's, well, I don't know if I should say the amount in public here, but it's a lot per hour. But it's per hour of quantum computing time. And as you'll see in a minute, the actual calculations take milliseconds.
Wow.
So
that's crazy.
So it's consumed. That's consumed out of the hour. You know what I mean, or half hour. I think we rented it for half an hour a month. But it's half an hour of computing time, so it's not half an hour of like real time.
I think,
Right. Yeah.
So we can use it a lot actually. Oh, she's good to go. We want to see the result here. Watch, it's like a nuke going off. Watch this. Just say, "Are you sure?" And then if you're sure, poof. Okay, let's see. Did you press "Are you sure"?
Yes.
Here we go. Scanning the table quickly. The world table.
Your possible world preferences.
There it is.
all right, and it comes back really fast. I mean, the data's going all the way to.
This is amazing.
And just let it fade out. Yeah, just let it fade. If you grab it, the text will show up for you. If you grip it, if you grab it, the text will show up for you in the globe. I think it's fading for you now anyway. You'll see the tags of the most possible tags for you, and then the worlds that are most, relevant to your query.
Yeah, now I'll scan the world table.
Oh, it's done that for you already.
It's the latest.
The quantum computer's so fast, it delivered the result before it talked to you. That's a weird thing about quantum computers.
I could only read it through my avatar's hand. That's a funny thing with the shaders.
Oh, weird. So there you go. This is yours. You say, it says here, I've chosen these world tags for you. City, neon, pool, music, simple, and day. And these are the closest worlds that match right now, that match.
Nice.
That kind of preference. And you can save this to your inventory. It's yours. It's all yours to keep as a collectible, possible world archive.
If I take off the glasses now...
yeah, take them off, yeah.
And,
yeah, there you go.
Okay.
They're yours. And here, I'll take them.
Next?
Well, hold on. Why don't you save your thing first?
How help me once again, how does saving work?
Grip it. Now, you know the radio menu to fly and stuff like that?
Mm-hmm.
Grab it.
You can save inventory from that way. Hello.
Oh, you have to grab the sphere while you're popping up the menu?
Yep, that too. You can do that too.
Save inventory.
Okay, now we can destroy it. You have it, don't worry. It's okay to destroy it.
Yeah.
I did it.
He's going to assign Possibilon to you.
Oh yeah, who's next then?
Then he'll start, over here, bar of light.
Thank you.
Awesome, Chaos. Thanks for that. Who wants to go next? Bard, you said you're running out of time here?
Yep. Let's have
okay, so let's, I'll just tell Next to wait in line.
Being in my natural state.
Hey, Next, is it okay if Bard of Light goes first? Because he's got to leave soon. Is that cool? You can try it first?
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, cool. Right on, Bard of Light. So let me select, first let's let Possibilon wander around for a few seconds here. Oh, he already is wandering around. Never mind. I'm totally behind the times here.
Where is it?
It's over. He's over there. Yeah, it is over there. Yeah, I got to be gender neutral here. All right, Borderlight. There you go. He's coming to a table for you. Where are the glasses? You got them on? Can you see instructions in the glasses, Bard of Light?
There's a reset and a submit.
No. No. Do you see instructions in the glasses? Let me put them back on.
Are they on?
They're on to me. Can you see anything through the glasses?
Not in particular. Is it?
Let me reset it. Hold on. Let me reset. Maybe Possible doesn't know it's you.
It's
Lucas knows.
Near clipping.
What's that?
Near clipping. Basically, there's a setting for like not render things close to your face.
Oh, okay.
And that's probably like not rendering the glass because of it. That's all.
Is that because of the avatar? You might switch your avatar. Your avatar is too chunky.
Alright, cool. Let's see. Avatars.
Yeah, just change the avatar and then it should work.
That's true one.
Oh, skeleton.
Skeleton, yeah, I can do that. There you go. There you go, Bard Light. Let me get rid of this avatar for you to save lag.
Good as usual.
Okay.
So you helped out with the project in Siberia.
There you go. You're a skeleton. Right on. Now can you see?
Yeah.
I'm definitely getting like the filter from it, though.
Nice. Very impressive.
Put it over your eyes.
Oh,
Hold
there
it
we
now.
go. Please ensure you are standing in front of... Alright.
Yep. Scanning you.
Scanning you.
Okay. Now what does it say?
Avatar identification complete.
Definitely gonna go for the Halloween theme, right?
Well, you don't know. He might not want to. Just because he looks like a Halloween guy, hint, hint, doesn't mean that he will necessarily want to stereotype himself.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway. Yeah.
So, let's see. This is the stuff I don't care about.
Yeah,
So-
just select anything you don't care about in the world, to see in the world. So you trigger those menus, yeah, and then trigger a word that matches you not caring about tags related to that world on this menu here. There's a lot to fill out, sorry about that. But it's because a quantum computer needs...
User psychology survey.
That's right.
But it's really somehow hard. Like, what do I really not want to see? What can
That's
I
right.
really live without?
And that's the thing, a quantum computer deals with these contradictions and weirdness. That's what they're good for, sorting weird data.
Nice.
Or even worse is, what do I really not care about? But you have to care about them enough to say that I don't care.
That's right. That's right. Yeah, I know, yeah, it's a bit weird to say it that way, isn't it? But that's totally kind of data that a quantum computer likes processing. Where a classical computer would just be like, what the hell is this? So, this is something that's kind of unique.
That's don't want, that's comfortable, and that's really want.
Yeah, and there's sliders down here. There's sliders down here to even adjust the intensity of these statements. Yeah. So you can customize it even further, subjectively. You can say, I really want, if you want to do that, you can put the slider all the way to one end. For really want.
My daughter loves doing surveys like this, like those
Oh, really?
personality surveys.
Oh,
and she
right.
spends a lot of time going through each and every answer. and then she'll do it again a few months later just to make sure it's still the same. So
Yeah, it's like the crossword riddle of
she would be here for
like,
a long time.
Oh, nice, that. I like doing surveys. But I shouldn't tell anybody, otherwise I get like, can you do this one and this one?
What's that?
I was wondering if it's okay to leave things blank.
No, you gotta
fill all
select.
of them.
You have to fill all of
You
them.
gotta do them all, but the wonder is...
It would have been really funny to have her in here because she would have loved to getting all of the answers properly. And then if we told her that the slider had values, then she would make sure that she could use the sliders as well.
Perfect. They should probably do a perfect alignment, right? Like exactly this on the slider.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, yeah, the slider actually does. Yeah.
There's those INTP type of surveys. The
Oh God, yeah.
personality ones. She loves those.
Yeah. I find them way too contradictory. Kind of like a quantum computing problem. Like it says, "Are you social? How social at the party?" Like, well, it depends on the party. Like, come on, like sometimes I'm really shy and do the fetal position in the corner. Sometimes I'm the life of the party. It really depends, right, on who's at the party, right? Like, you can't just overgeneralize that, right? In my opinion, but that's just me,
you could be the life of the party and while you're being in the fetal position.
That's right. In VR chat, we see that all the time. In VR chat, you go to a rave club, someone's snoring. There's a guy that falls asleep that Halt and I both know, and he's kind of becoming famous because he's always snoring at the rave. He's asleep at the rave.
Oh my goodness! So
And
with
he's
the
gonna
hands
come
and
viral.
all on summer. Nice.
Yeah. Okay, let's see how Barda Light's doing. How you doing? Oh,
I love the computer avatar, or how would you call that? The computer NPC.
NPC, yeah. The Possibilon.
Look at,
Nicely done.
The world that we have here are Bay Area housing.
Oh, that's depressing.
That's an interesting one.
That's an expensive world.
There's a beach paradise over here.
Nice.
A Tetris.
Ooh.
The Metaverse Training Center is always there.
Yeah.
The Avatar Station. Chill Space. Some I can't pronounce. There's a comfy cliffside. So let's see which one Aiden gets.
Oh, sorry there, I'm in your way.
So does this go through the data of every single NEOS world that has ever been created, or does it go through the data of every single NEOS session that's active?
So the tags have been extracted. We had to make a matrix, or I had to make a matrix out of 120 by 120 tags that are interlinked. So they're interlinked using float values to indicate the strengths of the tags. And so there are more tags in NEOS for worlds, right? Anytime an author, as you know, uploads a world, they can tag it, right? Meta tags.
Mm-hmm. So
we got Lucas and Grimmer got this data, and I picked 120. I had 116 of them. I had to. It's a longer story, but I had to leave some tags open for other reasons, some custom tags. But in terms of NEOS tags, I think it's 116. With all the ones on here, all the ones on these menus are the tags, and so then right now it will scan eventually. It will scan the world table activity right now. Like I'll take a snapshot of the world table.
Yes, yeah, so
with those tags.
Sessions.
Yes, but it's using machine learning to visually recognize those globes and defining what those tags might be. It's not actually going underneath to extract the tags.
Okay.
It's actually machine visually recognizing what the globes look like
basically click the,
and guessing what the tags are. It's using it for machine learning for that.
So it looks at like
the globes.
360 picture.
Yeah, here, these.
Identifies what's on there.
Yeah.
Okay, so
and
there's
like
one
relates
somewhere.
that to the tags you
section needs-
inputted.
That's right.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's
That's
not just
crazy.
it's not just extracting it by cheating. It's actually
I want
looking at it.
quantum computers now for my AR glasses. That'd be nice.
Me too.
Yeah. Then I can look at any item in the world, and then it just gives me data on that immediately because it just uses quantum computing to tell me exactly what that is and just calculate it down through all the hundreds of thousands of images or pictures of that one item.
It can totally do that. So renting cloud service is not cheap, but but it's doable. Yeah, it's doable now in NEOS. All the stuff's in place to do it. So here it is. So, and how's Bartolite doing?
All right, he's almost done. I think he's ready to submit.
Okay.
I'm still so stoked that so it really like its input data is the 360 images.
That's
so
right.
It doesn't go text.
Nope.
Whatever. What does he have
Nope.
in
It does.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, it scanned it. It scanned the worlds, and the result is where?
Bravo!
There it is. Poof. Quantum computer done.
Oh, that is fast.
That's so. Yeah, that's
All
your
right.
custom result.
Wow.
To sleep.
Yeah, everyone picked that one.
Bay Area housing, and a Chinese site or something. And you can get close to them and look inside.
You can grab it too.
For me, they're moving away.
And see the text showing up now? It's
Do I have to wear a specific avatar in order to work?
No, but what it does is Possibilon actually stereotypes your avatar by scanning it.
And then the light will go
and
away.
it guesses what the tags you'll like
You'll
as
see
well.
the tags that you
They probably choose something that's green.
optimized.
Yeah, probably, right? So,
let me check it out. Let me
hold on. Yeah, let me reset it for you, okay? Let me reset it.
These are the worlds where the tags
Possibilon's
match
got to
the most.
float around for a minute first.
See which sessions it chooses for me.
Actually,
Yeah, let me just make sure it was working here.
save if you,
Oh, he's got to take the
from
glasses
that,
off first, I think.
one of the buttons.
Once
you
he
can
takes the glasses
actually-
off, then
you see
I'll
the save
reset it,
option.
and then
Inventory.
I'll give you the glasses.
Save to inventory.
Thank you.
Doesn't seem to want
Yeah.
me to do that.
Yeah, you have to hold it, and then go back
Always
to
gotta make
your
an inventory
main
thing.
menu, and then make sure you select like just the highest level of the menu, because
Well, for some reason, my save to inventory is grayed out. It's a possibility like I haven't.
yeah, you have to be all the way to the
something in
root.
my, like,
You have
settings
to
or
be at the
something.
root level of your inventory, otherwise, you can't save it like where the other things are.
So what I'm saying is
go
that
all the way-
for some reason. Oh, you're saying I have to go back and
Yeah, go back to the root of your inventory.
After this, I do have to get set up for my stream.
Oh, yeah.
'cause it's
Oh,
gonna
for
be
sure.
in-
All right.
I'd imagine.
Hey,
'cause
yeah. Hey, Bud Light, can I just take the glasses off there and pass them? Because I got next guy's in line. Yeah. Thanks. All right, let me make sure this works.
This world over here.
Give me a sec there, next. There we go. Okay, good. He's floating around, doing his own thing. Here you go. Here are the glasses. Here are the glasses, and I'm going to select you, okay, as the next guy in line.
So that's basically.
All right.
Are they
Next.
on me?
Okay, next. I think so. Yeah, you're looking good, man. Now I think he's ready for you, or it's ready for you. Can you read what it says?
No tags even came close to
I can't read it.
No. Oh. There you go. You can scan. Maybe it's too behind your eyes or something. You're being scanned. Okay. Now you see the menus appearing.
That number, I don't know what that number is.
Yeah. Feel free to fill out all that stuff. That'll take you the longest, and then you're done.
Right now.
Then you get a collectible. And here's the photo gallery. Did you get all the photos of yourself, Alt?
Yep.
Good. I'm going to save a whole bunch too. Oh, you taking a picture too, Chaos?
Yeah,
You taking a selfie? or?
I'm totally into photo art now.
Oh, okay. Go nuts.
Can
Go
I
nuts.
set the timer?
I don't know.
Camera? Do you know that?
I forgot. I'm going to go check out the photos, though. Some good photos here. Yeah, like this one. I will save it. Which other photos do I like? This one's good.
So I'm trying to go for categories that will probably pick out Rusty's spot.
Might do. See if you can predict it.
Woohoo!
See if you can predict it next.
Oops. Okay, that was.
These are some good pictures over here. Nice one. Can I save your selfie? Is that cool, Chaos? I like it.
Absolutely.
I'm just collecting photos here like a tourist.
Oh, one little more Neo Snoop question.
Yeah.
If I do a picture with the camera, does it automatically go to my folder on the hard drive?
I forgot. It makes a photo appear, then you can hold it and do save as screenshot with the radio menu. You can do it that way too.
Okay.
Which is what I'm doing now. I'm literally grabbing photos and saving them right now to my. Oh, these are good. I want to save all these. I'm a hoarder. Okay. These are great. Some great pictures. Good pose there. Next, you got there. Yeah, fantastic pictures. Okay. I love it. All right. Fantastic. All right.
It was like
I'm just grabbing and saving like crazy.
The camera. I put them in the background.
These are great. So many good action shots. I want to save them all, but that'd be kind of greedy. Yeah. Oh, Lucas answers on Twitch. Lucas says, he says, taking a picture saves it in your computer and to your Steam. There's a setting to automatically save them to your NEOS inventory as well. Thanks, Lucas.
Awesome, thank you, my hero. Number 2 or 3 after the quantum computer and it's steady.
How's it going there, Nex?
Good.
Do you like surveys?
Okay.
No.
Me neither. Good answer.
Bit on the user experience, like make the starting viewpoint what I really want.
Yeah, that's right. I agree.
Or maybe start with what I would be comfortable with, and then they have to go downward to arrive at the really want in the end.
I think I'm good. Now what
good?
do I do?
Hold on. Sorry, Chaos. I just want to make sure he's done here. Just make sure no menus are open and all words are selected in the slots. I'm proofing it for you.
They are.
Think you're done, man. Okay, you ready for it? You can watch the Possibilon scan the table very quickly before he gets the result. Here we go. He's scanning the worlds, and I think it's already there. There you go. There you go. That's yours. And then when you,
Area
yeah,
housing.
there we go.
Everybody got
actually,
Bay Area housing, but a part of me.
It's popular.
I typed in stuff that had to do with gardens. I can see how this could have calculated out for being a garden, and I really wanted an open space, and I got the greenery from there.
Well, these are the tags that came back, the most common tags, based on your results. Those are the annealed tags here. In the globe, it says, I've chosen these worlds for you, or these tags for you. Office, gallery, woods, empty, game, abandoned, spooky, morning, and old.
Nice.
So that's yours?
Yeah, this one seems like it would... Yeah, these all would match probably a lot of the description, probably even that one too. This one, yeah, probably it's trying to find... Because it was trying to find plants, I was like, I really want plants.
Yeah, exactly,
Nice.
right? It's all
I'll
yours.
save that.
Yeah, it's your souvenir,
Well, thank you.
plus all the photos.
I think you are the
So much
first
fun.
one who didn't miss a choice on the first try.
He's been watching everybody.
That's an
And I
fairly
imagine
accurate.
this could be become like a really nice game. Like, whose daughter was this? Quantum? Was it your daughter or niece? Or like for folks who generally like to do surveys.
Oh, yeah.
And-
oh, yeah,
and
yeah.
quizzes?
Alex's daughter. Yeah.
Yeah, this could be a categorization of just, making it so then people can find really what they're looking for in a space, but without having to think about it. Just let the computer think for it as the best choice. And this is super cool. I really, really like this a lot. And I see
Thanks a lot, Max.
how many was there somebody who had more than 5 world categories? Because I saw some people only had like 3 floating around. Is this the highest number now, or is it?
I think we... Oh, Alex can answer.
Yeah, so we only return worlds where there's at least one tag matching to the world. So depending on the tags that we optimize for your input, one of those tags has to be in the worlds that we select. So if you only got 3 or if you only got 2, that means if you look at the tags that came back, there just wasn't a world that actually matched that tag.
Understandable. Yeah, that's really cool.
But you can have more than 5.
Well, here, let me add
worlds matching the tags, but we're returning back only 5 or less.
Yeah, this is amazing. I wish I could stay longer and, be
worries,
around, but
Nick.
I have to get set up for my stream. I add you as a contact, Princess, as well as you, Halt. And yeah, you guys have an awesome one. And
Awesome, Nick.
Good to meet you as well.
I'm a fan of your channel.
I think I remember seeing you before last. Here, let me give you glasses before I don't want to mess
Nice
you
one.
up.
Nice try there. Trying to take off the glasses. Come on, man. Yeah, just kidding.
Yeah, I kind of got my own.
You got your own glasses.
visor.
Yours is way more stylish. Yeah.
Oh, thank
Okay.
you. Arigato.
Yeah, everyone, please watch Nexaland's channel. Neos VR is the official Twitch stream channel for Neos VR. I'm addicted to watching it. So, great he was here. And awesome. Wow, that was great. Everyone's tried it out now.
I think
possibly.
one UI issue that would be good is if the questions start out in one color, and as you fill them up, it changes to a different color so that at a glance you know which ones have been filled.
I agree. That would be a good UI thing to do. Absolutely. Totally agree. One sec, my internet router fell over.
Oh.
My wireless transmitter. I'm worried about lag that way. Hold on. Okay, I'm good. I'm back. I'm alive.
Okay.
Yeah. I agree, though. I agree. Yeah, for the UI, that would make sense, wouldn't it? Yeah. Yeah, 100%. All right. Okay, all right. So how are we for time now? Let's have a look at the time. Let me just check the menu here. We at 2:43 Pacific time. And do I have a request here? See if anyone else wants to join. I'm going to send an invite to the maker of NEOS. He probably will not say yeah, but to come here, but you never know. You never know. Fruxius is the founder of NEOS. He might come in here. He's online. I decided to invite him. See if he shows up or not. Before.
You should come. And
He's a
watch
great
that.
guy. He's a great guy. So, but he's busy.
Really amazing.
He's probably busy making NEOS more. So, I don't expect him to come here.
Keep on working.
Keep on working,
Come
man.
on.
Yeah. Yeah, NEOS is fantastic. Don't want to distract you from making it fantastic, you know? Yeah, pretty much, right? Like, oops, hey, you want to check out my project? Oh, I guess you won't do that new update. No, just kidding. Yeah, distract them from work. Yeah, oh, Alex is taking a picture. Oh,
I'm taking a bunch of pictures now.
yeah, and you can save it to your
The
inventory.
question is my avatar tilted to the.
Oh, thanks,
to
Pat
my
the Cat.
left?
Fruks might be getting ready for the stream too. Please say hi to Fruks for me. Maybe we can do a private viewing, Pat the Cat. Maybe we can do a private viewing, maybe private Twitch stream of you and Fruxius trying this out again. I'd be happy to show Fruxius
No, I'm
the
like in seated
the
mode,
Possibilon.
with the
And
unit
Fruxius is a
controls
fantastic
and
guy,
perks.
brilliant guy. NEOS is amazing.
So,
Thanks to Fruxius. So there you go. That's my endorsement over Twitch. Okay. What was I going to say? Oh, okay, Pat the Cat.
I think that there might be a problem with rigging or such. I don't know NEOS enough to, but if your body is not rigged to.
Yeah, I'll try my best. I don't know if you can see the avatar calibrator.
Yeah.
My
if you see your. Yeah.
So this is supposed to be my.
Okay, Pat the Cat, don't worry about it. Please say hi to Fruks for
I
me.
see how it works.
And maybe we'll meet up pretty soon, all of us. Okay. I love watching your Twitch stream, by the way. If Pat the Cat is indeed Nixalan as well. So awesome. Okay. I love. Please follow Nixalan's channel on NEOS VR on Twitch. I watch it a lot.
Could be why your legs slip across.
I see.
Okay, let's have a look at the photos. Such fantastic photos in the photo gallery here. Oh, I didn't take any photos here.
There.
Here, I'll save some of these. Oh, hey there, Liz. Good to see you on the Twitch stream. I'm just taking some, what do you call it? Saving some of your pictures here of you hanging out with me. So I'm going to save some of these. Fantastic. I'm making a mess here, but that's my life. Messy. All right. I'll take this picture. I think I want this one too.
The food were in the feet seem to be in the wrong order.
Thanks so much, Liz. Here, I'll face you in the camera. Thanks so much, Liz, for taking the time to help out. And please, everyone, make an appointment to go see Liz's songstress. While the quantum computer still runs till the end of February, we can make an appointment and have that happen as well, including for the Possibilon here.
Doing weird stuff to left knee, right knee.
Oh, Pat is not Nexaland. Never mind. Thanks, Lucas. I should probably not talk about people's confidential information on Twitch. Whoops. Okay, anyway. But it's not him. Okay. Oh, you're not Nex. Okay, Pat. It was funny because Nex just left and then, Pat, you just appeared on Twitch.
Oh, no. Yeah, see the left knee? I think that might.
I tried to do the
Awesome. Welcome, Basement Nerd. And to our Twitch stream here. We're still checking out the quantum NPC before today's session runs out. And as Liz says, we will both have another showing or two this month for both the Possibilon and the Songstress. Today we're showing my NPC, the Possibilon. It looks like it's sleeping right now. Let me reset him.
I don't have no feet.
I'm going to wake up the Possibilon.
I think those are.
Wakey, wakey.
Them to be too long.
Yeah, let's try that.
Wakey, wakey.
Oh, so sorry for doing the housekeeping here. Oops.
Here we go. I woke up the Possibilon. It's floating around. The Possibilon wanted to sleep. Wants to think its shift is done. Still got...
Well, maybe all those sleep pearls that it was recommending was just a hint.
Possibilon heard that, look. It's like, what you saying about me? Pretty nosy.
I'm starting to think that Possibilon is more like a cat.
It is like a cat in a lot of ways. I think, right, the choosing all the sleep worlds. Oh, it's like, what? Like, what are you saying?
Okay, now it looks better.
It does look like a cat. No, I think about it. Possibilon is kind of like a cat. Like, see, it wants your attention, then it wants to run away,
Also,
just like a cat.
Is it also your music?
Yeah, so Possibilon singing a drone, kind of a drone, and if you were to listen carefully when it comes up to you, it kind of does these voices in sort of superposition. So it has these voices that come out on almost a quantum kind of style. But it's so subtle. You'd have to really listen carefully to hear these voices in superposition kind of happening.
Nice.
So it's part of its singing, just kind of singing to itself, because it doesn't talk to you in English. You have to use the glasses to translate it, right?
Yeah, I never thought of quantum phenomena actually having a sound, so...
What's that, sorry?
I've never thought of a quantum phenomena actually having a sound.
Yeah, why not, right? Why not? Why not have voices in superposition that kind of simultaneously are there and not there? If you were to go right up to it, if it were to pause for you, if you listen very carefully, you'll hear these voices sort of come in and out of the mix. It's like it's singing multiple voices at the same time into one voice, kind of like that. Basement Nerd asked me something on Twitch. I have to read it. It says, actually, let me go up to the Twitch screen and read it. What you're saying there. Basement Nerd, you say, you should add your Twitch link to the Twitch chat post. Oh yeah, and use POV so we can see it better. I'm intrigued in what it does or responds to, and where the brain is stored for, or communicating with. So the I should add the Twitch link to the Twitch chat post. Yeah, I can do that at some point. I'm kind of immersed in VR right now. But hi, Possibilon. But what I was going to say to you, Basement Nerd, was you were asking, what does the Possibilon respond to? So the Possibilon responds to appointments. Right now, no one has an appointment with it, so it is floating around like a cat, as I think Halt pointed out. It wants your attention, then it goes away. See, like now. And then if it's your appointment, then the Possibilon will communicate with you and engage you and follow you, if it need be, around the table. And then the brain. Now, in terms of where the brain is stored, it's stored partially on NEOS cloud, I guess, and it's also stored through the D-Wave's quantum computing cloud. Okay, a quantum computer. There's a real quantum computer in a giant kind of space refrigerator. It's the only way I can describe it. Using I think the cooling is even more cold than space, outer space, something like that. It's super cooled, and it's totally isolated in this warehouse, which is actually not that far from me in Vancouver. So I live physically in Vancouver. I can actually drive 20 minutes to the quantum computer if I want. It's in a suburb of Vancouver called Burnaby, suburb city. And it's super cooled. The chip is super cooled, and they have quantum circuits. And even I think observing the chip directly might screw it up. Actually, it's the weirdest thing about it. But it's run through a cloud service, and we rent out time through a cloud service. And so the Possibilon, when the Possibilon over here asks for a query, it sends it through the D-Wave, the company's quantum cloud, and then retrieves the results from the quantum computer and sends it back into NEOS. So there's a lot of back and forth between NEOS having its brain partially stored here. The machine learning is all stored on a machine learning server as well. And there's basic movements and stuff that the Possibilon has. Basic interactions that are all made inside of NEOS using Logix, which is the in-world programming language here. It's kind of like Scratch as a programming language, but it's all visual. Maybe I'll give a demo of that sometime. And Lucas was the programmer mainly for that. And so it's working on a few. Its brain is kind of distributed, even though we're trying to centralize it in the way it interacts with you. Underneath the hood, within its brain, it's using a cloud service for the machine learning. It's using NEOS in-world cloud stuff for its brain here locally. And then when it queries the quantum computer at the very end of the interaction, it goes to D-Wave's company's cloud service. Yeah, Basement Nerd, I'm happy to show you what Logix looks like. I'm sure I can introduce you to some logic programmers, and you can they can show you what it's like. I'm not good at Logix at all, so I'm not the person to talk to. That's why there's Logix programmers helping out.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
I think you're right. I think it is a cat.
But
Yeah. Once your attention for a few seconds, then it takes off, right? Just like a cat.
So what does a quantum cat want to eat to attract it, you know?
Oh, is this a...
Snickies.
Oh, this might... You know what? This might be Schrodinger's cat.
Totally.
It's here and not here. Paying attention, not paying attention at the same time.
Of course. That's Schrodinger's cat. What a good name.
It's looking at me with judgment. See? It's like, yeah, whatever. And then it takes off. Just like a cat. It's like, feed me or else I'm out of here. Right?
Now he's hiding with the quantum
So
side.
what does it react to in finding the people?
It's aware of your proximal awareness of your space, and it just floats around and either engages you or doesn't.
So if it detects an avatar, it comes.
That's right, Halt. See, Schrodinger's finite state machine. Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah.
And I love the design. Who did the design? That's amazing.
I did. Of the Possibilon, I did. Yeah.
Wow.
We need to change his voice so that it's like a quantum meow rather than a quantum hum.
Meow. And then it gives the results. Like,
No, when it gets the results, it purrs.
It is like a cat, now think about it. I never thought of it that way, but it actually totally behaves like a cat. It's like, okay, I'm done with you humans, I'm out of here. But now I want your attention. It comes back like, actually, no, pay attention to me. Actually, no, I'm done with you. It's totally like a cat. I never thought of it that way, but actually that's totally the kind of intelligence it seems to have in the way it behaves anyway. Basement Nerd asks if the walls and floor are just visuals and not significant. The world is meant to be like I meant to symbolically see it as like a parallel possible world dimension. So it's ambiguous in terms of what this world is, right? You could sort of see representations of a physical world in the sky dome and in the floor and everything, but it's intentionally distorted and modified so you don't have a clear impression of what kind of world it is. It's a world that could appear, but it's not necessarily really appearing, right? So it has that kind of look to it, I guess you could say. What else can I say about it? There was something else I was going to say about the world design. Oh, I as a kid, I was inspired by Doctor Strange comic books from Marvel Comics and the astral plane, which looks kind of like the Possibilon looks like. It looks like an astral creature. And the world looks like something maybe Doctor Strange would have visited, you know? So in that way, it's kind of personally significant for me. It has that kind of weirdness. Virtual reality to me is like a weird astral plane. It's like a weird dimension, a weird parallel universe. And I want to accentuate that weirdness, that otherworldliness that you can't get in the regular world. So, you know, the world table itself was originally designed by a guy named Aegis Wolf, I think. And Aegis Wolf also made the NEOS lobby. So he designed it, but I textured it with this sort of astral texture. But the world table, I do believe, was originally designed as a NEOS fixture by Aegis Wolf. But I love the world table design. And, yeah. Not sure what else to say. And what time are we at? Oh, it's 3 o'clock, people!
Oh no! Encore, more.
More? What else do you want more of? I mean, well,
and-
yeah.
As to Basement's question, yeah, the floors are significant. I just fell off the edge.
Oh, by that means significant. No, don't commit suicide here. The therapy wasn't. Colin, I have a therapist for you. Don't kill yourself. All right. Well. Next time. Oh yes, people watching Twitch, I can fly, and so can everyone else here. See, I can select this to flying. Now I'm flying. Whee. I can fly over the platform, and I can look back and look at everyone. I'm flying. Woo! Okay, and then I can drop. Where's the Possibilon? Where are you? Down there? I'm going to sneak attack. Hi. I'm going to chase it. And then I can also drop down. Poof. Okay. All right. I think we're done, everyone. Any final comments from the Twitch stream before we wrap it up? I mean, the Possibilon is not going to die or anything like that all of a sudden. Basement Nerd has another question. You ask, hold on, I got a router on my arm that fell on my arm. Basement Nerd, you're asking, what's giving the decisions for where the Possibilon's going at the moment? I think it's based on the user's proximity. Like, we kind of have force fields around us. Not really, but we kind of have presence fields. So I got kind of a field that indicates where I am, and Chaos has a field where she is, and Halt has a field where she is, and Alex has a field where he is. And I think the Possibilon is navigating around these fields and occasionally going into interact. Otherwise, it's just roaming around in the meantime. So it doesn't.
Meanwhile, in the conversation in the background, we've determined that it's actually like a quantum cat.
That's right. It's a quantum cat that doesn't really care about us. It's also kind of a quantum ghost, which is intentional, and it flies through you. Right? There's no particle. There's no physics on it, so it flies through you like a quantum ghost, which I liked, which I wanted. So it's a ghost, really, kind of a ghost.
And a cat.
You've been quantum VR.
Pat the cat. Pat the cat on Twitch just said, change the model of the diamond to a model of a cat. Yeah, maybe later.
Yeah. Keep it with a shiny.
Nice and shiny. Actually, the reason why it's diamond.
Two cats vibrating like one frame cat, one frame that one.
The reason why it's a diamond is symbolic in that I'm inspired by things like modal logic. And in modal logic, they have two kinds of symbolic operators. One for something being possibly true, and one for thing being necessarily or kind of absolutely true. And the diamond is the symbol for possibly true or possibly false.
Nice.
So the Possibilon is the body is about possibility too. So that's why it's a diamond shape.
Ooh. And what's the symbol for the binary option?
What do you mean? Oh, you mean in terms of
the
other option? You mean?
Like if something is absolutely true?
It's a square. It's a square.
Ah, yeah.
Like a square for.
We don't want to be square.
You don't want to be square, right? You want to be diamondoid if you really want to be in the life of possibility,
we want to be
right?
Diamonds.
Yeah, right? We want to be diamonds. It's way more bling, too, right? Way more luxury to have possibility. So
absolutely.
So
is there a symbol for something that is both true and false? Like, as in you found a contradiction?
I think there is. In fact, Alex might know that. Alex, what's a symbol in quantum for something being both true and false? Do you know in quantum gate stuff? Is there a symbol for that? I know it's exclusive OR and stuff like that, but that can mean one can only be one or the other. But there is, but not both. But there is one for it. I thought there was a symbol for both simultaneously. I have to remember what it is in quantum stuff. Oh yeah, Basement Nerd says, so just choosing random points and moving. To some degree, yes. To some degree, yes, it's choosing random points and moving. When it roams, it's randomly moving. But as you can see, it's occasionally engaging people like Alex just now. So it's able to do that. It's able to think about people to some degree and come up to them and look at them. And then, like a cat, as Halt had explained, it just decides to do its own thing for a while. Look at all the photos we have. Mm.
I'm still waiting for you to answer a question
what's its goal? Is its goal to come as near as possible to as many as possible avatars?
Sometimes. Sorry, what was that? Sorry?
I'm still waiting for you to answer a quantum question saying, well, yes and no.
Yes and no. That's, yeah, exactly, right? Exactly.
Or 50%, or like 70% yes and 30% no.
According to the evidence, I can update the Bayesian probability that could be yes. Yeah.
But now I get the frugal German question. So how much does one rendering of this world cost in quantum computing rental time?
Well, I can talk to you privately about how much it costs. I probably can't talk about the corporate rates here. But I will say, though, that we rent out half an hour a month of time. And that's not half an hour of real time. That's half an hour of computing time. And you saw how fast it computed after you hit submit.
I mean, you can get like a ton
milliseconds.
Of
it takes a few milliseconds to get the answer. So
yeah, so we have enough time.
I mean, if that's a weird business model. If like the main truth about quantum computing is that it sees the solution right at once because it sees everything.
Yeah.
And then renting it out for like these mini time bits. I mean that was like amazing how quick it was.
Well, some people are paying for constant real time QPU processing.
Wow.
So the banks and the military, are the main clients of this company, and if they want to spend so much an hour, which is a lot of money an hour, right? They have that money.
Yes.
They have that money, so you could have constant QPU computation. We're doing it one snapshot query at a time, right? But you could do it. You could keep it on and keep it going, but that's costly. That's when it gets really costly.
Yeah, like if you had a car and you were optimizing how the car would move through the city, and it's constantly, got the data as all the traffic and the roads and everything. So your optimization would change all the time. You would keep giving the data back to the, to the quantum processor to optimize. Now, what should I do? Or, depending on the actual conditions at that moment. And yes, we have had this question about, different things. You only need to optimize once a day or once a month. If you were doing some kind of a problem where you only care about optimizing once a month, then you only spend a few milliseconds every month.
But especially if you get like real-time use cases like the traffic situation. I don't care how it was yesterday.
Yep.
Or what poetry is going to be most soul-crushing for the user, which was the last
the songstress. Yeah, Liz's songstress had probably caused a lot of therapy. So Chaos, Liz has her NPC as well, right, which uses the quantum computer. And that happened, a month ago? 3 weeks ago? A month ago, around Christmas time. And that one was with Songstress gives poetry based on her lyrics. Using the quantum computer and GPT, and uses GPT as well. So we'll give a private viewing for you if you like of that, because we still got quantum time until the end of February. So, the Basement Nerd asks for more questions. Yeah, I mean, I'm not totally closing the channel if you want to talk, Basement Nerd. It's just that was the time I was going to wait around for people. You know what I mean? But if you want to ask a question, please go for it. And then, but soon I'm going to leave just to render this video to YouTube, and actually, what do you call it? Feed my biological life. But if you want to ask another question, go ahead, Basement Nerd. My biology can still handle that. Oh, you're petting the cat. How nice. I think Possibilon likes you. Oh, yeah, Basement Nerd, we can, let me show you how it works. How about you can see it from the glasses point of view now? So let me do that for Basement Nerd. let me make myself the host. And now, the appointment person. And now let me get those glasses. There they are. And I will wear them. See, I'm going to put them over me. No, I don't know if you can read the text over Twitch. Oh, yes, you can. I think it says, please ensure you're standing in front of the table.
Yep, you can.
I'll quickly scan your avatar for identification. Okay, so I got to go in front of the table. Okay, you can see the text. Great. Okay, so I'm going to get scanned. I'm in the scanning bath right now. Okay, it says avatar identification complete. Thank you. So that all went to machine learning just now. Machine learning just figured out my avatar and my world preferences as well. So please select items in front of each of the drop-down menus and in front of the world table. Okay, let's do this. All right. I'm going to just quickly select some tags just to make this quick for you. Okay. But we could spend here forever. And we can go through these tags. But let's just do this quickly for you just to see how it works. This will take about 5 minutes to do if I do it randomly. So I'm picking right now how comfortable I am with certain tags in the world. I'm saying right now I'm comfortable with a chill social level. I'm comfortable with an empty infrastructure and different things like that. But what I can do is contradict myself. I can later say I hate a chill world. I can do that. I'm allowed to. A classical computer can be driven kind of crazy that way. But not with a quantum annealer, data annealer. In fact, it welcomes those contradictions. And when I designed this for the Possibilon, I designed it to allow for contradictions, in fact, to try and create them, so that there'd be a sorting issue. I wanted it to be confused. The whole idea is to make it's like, you ever see Monty Python's, and this is the cat thing, confuse a cat? You ever see that skit? Where these people try and confuse the cat? Well, I'm kind of confusing the Schrodinger's cat, which is the Possibilon, but the Possibilon being a quantum computer, and let's say I really want these tags. Okay. So that's what's happening here. All right. I'm just trying to get these tags out of the way here. I'm not really paying attention. I'm sure giving some contradictions already, which is good. You don't need to make contradictions, but it's fine if you do. It's almost encouraged, because then you're really testing out the quantum part of the computation. I'm just going to pick whatever tags. I'm just trying to be quick here. I'll just leave that plain. Okay, next. Oh, this is someone else's stuff. Okay. All right. Let me fill this out. It's going to take a minute, okay? What will the output be? You'll see in a moment, Basement Nerd. I didn't realize that you didn't see it earlier. My apologies. I'm happy to show you, okay? So I'm picking up time of day. I'm filling all this out. Again, I'm not paying too much attention to what I'm doing right now, just because I want to show you quickly how it works. Okay, I might change that slider. Change it to there. Okay. Did I fill everything out? No. Still got more to fill out here. How much do I not want something? Again, I might contradict myself, but who cares, right? Okay, I got the glasses on here. I'm selecting tags here. Might take a minute. Oh, why can't I select that? Oh, there we go. So just be patient with me, and then you'll see the output. I'm selecting all these tags for kind of possible worlds I'd either like to see or don't want to see, or can tolerate seeing, like I'm okay with them being around. Okay, I think I did everything. No, can you... I don't know if you can see this on Twitch, but I have two buttons, reset and submit. I don't want to reset. Now, as soon as I submit and say I'm sure, very quickly, you'll see this very quickly. In fact, we made this animation longer for the Possibilon, thinking that there'll be a big wait time for the QPU. We used to think there'd be a 5-minute wait time because all the banks in the military would be in the way using the QPU. We had to wait in the queue. That's the wait time. It's not the computation wait time. It's the wait time to let everyone else with more priority than us, than the artists, use it. But actually, we're having good traffic right now, right? So this animation will happen super quickly. As soon as I say yes, I'm ready, it's going to scan. The Possibilon's going to, you'll see it very quickly, maybe too quickly. It'll scan these worlds and actually machine learning recognize these globes that are popular right now and also factor into everything that's happening. Okay, so I'm going to hit submit. Here we go. Am I sure? Yes. Okay, ready? I said yeah. Did it work? Oh, maybe we're going to do it again. Oh, please select all fields. Oh, okay. Hold on. I'm not done yet. Yes, Basement Nerd. If it produces words that match my tags... Actually, let me explain this quickly. And check out my cool glasses when you look in my my Twitch stream here. Look at these glasses. They're awesome, right? Okay, so it does a few things. There's a few energy sources that the QPU is annealing. Okay? Data energy sources. Think of them as energies. And one energy source is actually when that Possibilon scanned me, it stereotyped me. I look like a furry to this, probably, to the Possibilon, and the Possibilon already has assumptions or presumptions as to what I should like in the world. Okay? It's already stereotyped me. And now it's asking me what I want to see in the world, and there might be contradictions there. And then it's going to scan the worlds on the table that are popular right now to see what kind of tags are there too. And they'll all take all this complex matrices of data and anneal them. In other words, sort them in a way that a regular computer might get crazy trying to figure out how to solve. Now, what did I not answer in the tags here? Yeah, Basement Nerd, it's based on your avatar design. So I look like a furry right now. I'm wearing purple and yellow and white. So it's stereotyping me based on that. Okay? And it actually can recognize me. Did I fill all the fields out? I'm trying to look here. It'll only work if I fill all the fields out, because it needs all this data to be messy. Sufficiently messy to anneal it. You can't see the point of view anymore. Oh, because you're looking at me. I'm sorry. There we go. Now you can see my point of view. I think I got everything, didn't I? Okay, let's see. Submit. Please select all fields. Okay, what's not selected?
That's strange. I'm looking. I didn't see any empty. There's obviously one missing somewhere.
Oh, there it is. Infrastructure.
Thank you, Halt.
It was kind of garden pathing because empty was a valid choice for one of the choices.
Yeah, empty is a word, not empty is in the field, right? That's probably what got semantically confusing. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, so look at the world table carefully. The Possibilon's going to go crazy scanning the worlds and very quickly because I don't think there's a military or a bank in the way of the queue right now. Okay, ready? Here we go. Please all select all fields. Oh, come on. There's another field to select. What else?
Okay, infrastructure. I don't know if it's filled because it says empty. So maybe select that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's try. I know the suspense is killing you, right? Oh, zoom out the camera again? I'm sorry, yeah. I'll zoom out for you, Basement Nerd. Happy to take... Okay. So you see I got my glasses on. You can see the field of vision. It's kind of like Microsoft's HoloLens. You got this not-so-good field of vision for glasses. Okay. So, I'm going to submit. Okay, watch the table carefully. Please select all fields. Oh, come on. Sorry.
Okay.
All right.
I don't see empty
Gravity
fields.
over here.
All
It's
right.
not closed. You have to close it.
I thought I closed it. All right. Okay. Anything? Okay, I'll try again. Okay, here we go. Look at the table. Please select all fields. Come on. The suspense is killing. Come on, what's going on? Don't kill.
It's only happened with you.
Oh, man.
Oh, infrastructure empty.
I thought I clicked on that. Okay.
Oh, well, it's empty over here as well. It's selected as... Well,
Oh,
maybe
just
that's not the
click it for me.
problem.
The problem is that empty is a choice for one of them.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll try it
maybe
now.
that's
Do you think
not
it's
the
filled out
actual-
now? How about try it now? Okay. Okay, ready? Look at it carefully. No, please select all fields. All right, so what's going on?
Maybe it's being fooled by empty.
Maybe. I can change it. Where is it empty?
Over there on that side.
Okay.
maybe if you pick something other than empty for infrastructure, it might be that.
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah.
Kind of weird, but all right. Could be that. Are they all changed? No, this one says empty.
No. Yeah, and then there's one more here.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so meanwhile, there's a computer incident that happened, right?
Mm-hmm.
Everybody knows about null in a database. If there's actually no data, we call it null value, right?
Right.
And somebody decided that it was a good idea to get a vanity license plate that said null, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then he proceeded to get every speeding ticket that the system could not identify what the license plate was.
Oh, okay. I got it. Whoops.
That is
Hilarious.
So
Look all the pictures you've collected there. Okay, but anyway, back to work here.
Cleaning up.
Yeah, that's okay. Here we go. Let's try it now. Okay, watch the table. Please select all fields. Come on, I'm driven insane now with this.
maybe that isn't supposed to work for you. It worked for all of us.
It looks proofed.
Yeah, I don't see a problem.
All right. Is there a way to reset it?
Yeah, there is. It's reset.
All right.
Okay. Okay, I'm going crazy with tags, okay? Just my luck, right?
Yeah, this is kind of strange.
Maybe the Possibilon's sick of me. Usually, children are sick of parents. So.
Yeah, or cats. It's a cat.
No, cats. It's a cat. It's like, I'm done with you. Where's my food? My shift is over.
I
don't think
other people can actually fill it out for you.
Yeah, they can.
Do you want me to fill it out?
Yeah, by all means, go nuts.
All right.
I'm just trying to show a result, so, at this point. Sorry, what's that, Hall?
I forgot what I was going to say.
Oh, never mind. Sorry. All right, filling all these
okay,
out.
I see. Yeah. So I just pick something random?
Yep.
All right, this one's done.
Okay. You all done?
Yeah.
All right, finally. Okay, here we go. Watch the table, people. As you can see, this is my outside of the glasses, inside the glasses. All right.
Now.
Okay. Please select all fields. Okay, now I've lost my mind totally.
Okay, something must be broken on the interface then, I guess.
Huh. Does someone else want to try it? Here, I'll reset it. Control. Okay, it's going to do its own thing. Bye-bye. See you later. Alright, sorry there, Basement. Good question, Basement Nerd. The sliders do not necessarily need to be adjusted to update their values, but maybe that could be a problem. Someone else want to try it very quickly?
Yep, I can do it.
Here you go, Alex. And then you'll see what the output looks like, Basement Nerd. So, I don't know why it wasn't working for me. Possibilon, why? Why? I'm chasing. You can't just go. Your shift's not over. Come on. Come on. I know it's 3 after 3, but come on.
Okay, I've got the glasses on.
Okay, you got the glasses on. Oh, let me select you. Sorry. Let me tell Possibilon you're next. There you go.
All right.
Okay.
Go for
In
it.
the meanwhile, I have a story and a joke. Okay. The story goes that you see everybody emits certain particles called bogons, right?
Bogons.
And some people emit more bogons than others. For instance, like if you're a techie, then you emit less bogons than say if you're like a certain type person. And the unfortunate side effect is that bogons negatively affect computer performance. So
Oh.
this is why that when you are testing out your demonstration in private and running the demonstration, it always seems to work. And then when you're demonstrating it in front of a large audience, especially a large audience with suit and tie, that the bogon flux becomes so immense that there's no way that the computer can work properly. And this is why your demonstration will always fail in front of a large audience.
Oh my god. That's so true. And that's due to
I love
quantum
that
observation too,
explanation.
Halt. Hey there, VR Exist. How you doing? Thanks for coming over. VR Exist, everyone. I'm on Twitch right now. VR Exist is part of the company in Vienna that helped produce this NPC. So, and Lucas said to you, Halt, that Lucas probably absorbs bogons. So how you doing? Do you want to try out the Possibilon NPC, quantum NPC in a moment?
Of course.
Okay, just after Alex is done here, the quantum programmer is done trying it out.
I'm trying to.
Then you're gonna, and then you can try it.
Don't want.
And then we'll probably call it a day because it's after 3. And my biology's killing me right now. No,
Your
basement.
biology.
My biology.
You still
You've
have
heard
a
of this?
biology.
Somewhere in here.
That?
Somewhere in here. Somewhere in here. Basement Nerd asks on Twitch, is VR Exist one of the logic developers you were talking about? VR Exist is the CEO of the company of the developers. I think that's the best way to call you. Is that right? Would that be the best way to categorize you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. God for everything, like we say in German.
Yeah,
Right.
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So VR Exist is based in Vienna. And how's it going there, Alex?
Yep, I think almost done.
Okay, ready for Basement Nerd on Twitch. You're going to see the output of the quantum computer very shortly, if it works.
Let's walk.
Yeah.
Wait, and you're renting out the quantum computing?
All right.
Yeah.
No. That's Chicago Quantum. That's another company.
No, we got
the interface.
All right, it's saying I need to fill in some field over here.
already. Oh, maybe it's screwed up now.
So maybe something is.
I'll check for you.
Yeah,
Did we like
see them all filled.
Was it the
It's all
sliders that
about
screwed it
attention
up?
to detail.
Yeah, it looks like it's all filled.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, maybe something in the programming lost connection.
Oh, it could be. It could be. But it says to select all fields,
It says,
so.
are you sure now? Okay, we can
Try.
do it.
Try.
Get ready.
Get ready, people. Look at this table.
All right. Ready,
Go.
set, go.
Here it is, scanning the table. There it is, very quickly, and in a few more seconds, there it is. There's the result, flying out. Like a baby.
There's no world.
Wow.
It didn't give me a single world.
Weird.
My tags. So my tags for you are temple, plants, shop, kill, and day. And it didn't match to any world over there.
You sure it's not a logic issue, right? It's probably... No, I think
I mean, it is possible. It is possible that because we're getting the tags that are optimal, right?
Yeah.
For me, for the scanning and for the avatar. Now, it is possible that none of the worlds actually have those tags.
Ah, okay. That makes sense. All right, well, let's have VR Exist try it now.
Okay.
All right,
You
so
want
let's
to pass
put a
the
unique
glasses
example.
here? Yeah. In fact,
There we
okay,
go.
so I'm going to make you the next person here. I'm going to... just give me a sec, okay? I got to reset.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so Possibilon's taken off.
Actually, I'm still loading in anyway.
Okay, you tell me when you're ready to try out
Yeah.
the Possibilon, and then I will make an appointment with the Possibilon for you.
Oh.
So you just let me know when you're ready to go.
I'm still loading in. It's shooting stuff over the Atlantic in the moment.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Well, it does seem to be that there are a few less balls than there were when we last looked at the table.
That is true. A few less orbs. So what might happen, VR Exist, is you might see some actual globes around the world orbs around the result you get. It depends. It might not. Some people get it.
I'm still loading in. I'm still loading the world.
Yeah, give you a sec. No problem. I think you'll be the last person for today, and then we'll call it a day. Yeah, Basement Nerd, don't worry. You can also watch this on YouTube once I render it, which means you can watch all these people getting results. We've gotten a lot of results, so you can see the results actually happen. Maybe not live right now, but we'll see.
Did you zoom into this world over here?
Yeah, I had a look. Let's have a closer look. You've chosen these world tags for you. This is made by the quantum computer, but sometimes they have these other orbs, like the world orbs in the table, floating around here, orbiting around like a moon's orbiting a planet or something like that.
Yeah.
Or an atom.
I just pulled out this one
Oh,
from
here's
inventory.
one.
Just show
Here's one
that how it's supposed to look like.
Yeah, so this is the one Halt. This is Halt, by the way. Halt. This is the one result she got. See how the possible worlds rotate around here? This is what she got earlier today. And it says, I've chosen these world tags for you. Grid, Loft, Chat, Night, and Old. These are all tags that are valid in NEOS, or user-created tags, meta tags. Thank you, Halt. There you go.
Yep.
So, Basement Nerd, if you can stick around for a few more minutes, once VR Exist is loaded in, then you can maybe see it live, the full result, but we'll see. We'll see.
Oh, what's that?
Almost there?
I don't know how many packages because it gives me more. I'm on 1,950. Yep, I'm loaded in.
You're loaded in. All right. Well, welcome.
Yep.
And so here's what we'll do. I will just give me a sec, okay? I will make you. Okay. So it's your appointment, and now I will give you. All right. These glasses will be yours. Here you go. Wear those glasses. Put them on your face.
Oh yeah.
And then you should be able to see text. Oh, yeah, you always look good, man.
Please ensure you're standing in front of the world table. Okay.
Yeah, he's going to scan you. Or it is going to scan you, I should say. Get out of the way. Get close enough. There we go. Being scanned. All right. And now you see these menus appear down below, huh? They're growing. Now, just fill out these menus. Each of these tags, pick up a tag. These are actual NEOS user-created tags. What kind of world do you really want to see in terms of the tags? All right, this might take you a few minutes to do the whole thing, if you actually want to pick tags. Yeah.
Only one or on different ones?
One per each.
Oh, okay.
One each. Yep. And then go to the next menu and the next menu until you're on the whole table. So it might take you a few minutes to do the whole thing. Take your time. And there's also a slider at the bottom if you want to change the intensity of how much you really want something, for example. Like the whole thing.
The slider is per thing, or
yeah, it's per. You'll see a slider per menu. This is one of the menus. One out of 5 menus. Right now, you're selecting what you really want to see in a world, and you can even move the slider to how much you really, really want it. All. If you want to customize it like that. So just make sure you've selected everything. There's no open menu or anything like that. For example, there's an arrow here that's just an arrow. You can select something there. Do you see the infrastructure one?
Oh yeah, infrastructure.
So make sure there's no empty arrows there. You've got to pick a keyword, yeah.
Big infrastructure.
Okay, then you go around to the next one.
Okay.
and so on. Yeah, so you keep on doing that until you're satisfied. And there's sliders for each if you want. You don't have to. Just if you want to customize the intensity of what you think of all these tags. Yeah. Right now, this is the ones you'll tolerate. See. Yeah.
Okay.
And so on until all the menus are done. Yeah.
Okay, and submit at the end, yeah? Not
very
after
end.
each one.
Yeah, at the very end. Yeah, correct.
I don't care about...
And don't worry about contradicting yourself if you do. That's okay.
Okay.
In fact, quantum computers love contradictions, so it's up to you.
Do they?
Compared to classical computers, yeah.
And one thing I want to point out is that if you couldn't care less, you have to maximize the slider.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I know it's a weird contradiction itself, isn't it? That one. But hey, yeah, each of these sliders actually give you float values.
Yeah.
That match each of the tags selected. So that's what we're doing, and make it become a matrix. It gets annealed by the QPU. Yeah.
There's a silly programming joke. God is real unless declared integer.
God floats. Oops.
God floats.
Or is God an imaginary number?
42.
That's right. That's the official science fiction answer. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
this one?
Yeah, and then we'll proof it to make sure you did it all. Yeah.
Don't want. What I don't want is...
While you do that, I'm going to look at the photo collection. Hello, sorry. No, not yet. He's almost done. Look at all these great photos. I'm a hoarder.
You're a hoarder of pictures.
I'm like my father that way. He's got photo albums of like pretty much every angle of everything, including people eating food. That's pretty much what he's like. Good thing no one's eating in here, because otherwise I'd be collecting these photos as well.
So
Let's see.
basically, you got a terrible terabyte problem.
That's right. Oh, big time. Oh my God, you should see my desktop. It's
You
like
could ask the quantum computer to sort out the best eating pictures.
Actually,
with
that
no
is-
food between the teeth.
that is a perfect usage of the quantum computer. I should tell my dad about it, and you can rent out some time.
Dad, finally you understand my
I understand. Yeah, you need a use case, right? You just need a good use case, and then yeah.
Hey, look at this one.
Okay, yeah.
From between the worlds.
Okay, let's see. Sorry, I'm gonna. What? Oh, whoa! I like it. It's artsy. I like it. I'm saving it. Okay, how you doing over there?
Everything.
Then hit submit, and then I'll ask if you're sure. But before you hit, are you sure? Just notice it's going to scan. The Possibilon's going to scan some worlds,
Batteries are dying.
and but the QPU might be so fast you might not even see the Possibilon do that. It's only while waiting for the QPU to respond. Yep.
Submit.
And then are you sure? And then yeah, right. Just click it again, and then watch.
Select all fields. I forgot somewhere a field.
No, on this again. Okay.
Oh no.
Let's proof it for you.
Right here. Time of day and infrastructure.
Yeah.
Be unable to use my arms very
I
soon.
don't want empty, and I don't want morning.
Both of them are red right now.
Which controllers are you on?
These are the Vive controllers.
Yeah, I of those I got like the backup. Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
could carry on for like 9 hours partying because
You know,
would
I
go-
can't get the image out of my head that it's actually like a quantum cat. It
It
goes
is-
down to squat And then
I got the result.
Oh.
You guys are
Oh, so you got it already. I'm sorry, I missed that.
what it excretes is what floats over to you.
Totally, right? It is like, what do you call it? Furball. There you go. That's your result. Sorry, it would have flashed before you. There you go. It was fast, right?
Oh, cool. Cool. Can I save that?
Yep, that's for you. That's your gift. Save it to your inventory,
Oh,
please.
awesome.
That's your personalized custom gift, just from the Possibilon to you.
It's just kind of this.
Awesome. Thank you, Possibilon, John. Thank you,
And also,
It looks
also,
so
I think
cool.
I think it updates live. So if you open it up again, it'll see what's currently popular at the time you open it. I think it'll update too.
Oh, cool.
For later, yeah. Yeah, save it to your inventory. Keep it. There's some photos that Alex took pictures of. If you want to save those too. Any good vanity pictures, you go ahead.
Vanity pictures are always good. Like let me take a.
Yeah. You can take a selfie if you want. And
Right, but now with the Oculus, you don't
Yeah,
even
with
need those
the
light
glasses?
houses, you know, like those.
Of course, with the
the
glasses.
glasses. Yeah. I know. You're the envy of the world.
Come closer to
Oh,
me.
yeah.
Come closer to me.
behind your back.
Am I facing the camera? I can't see.
Okay.
Something like that I couldn't
There's a
do
picture of us
with,
together.
with Inside
Did I get it?
Let's take this one in front of us.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. I'll touch it. Do you want me to touch it? No.
My
Wait.
son actually
Wait.
has the Oculus, and I have
There you
the
go. I'm
Vive
touching
at
it for
home.
you.
And he's in a different state in the U.S. So
How's that?
we do play games sometimes, and
Awesome. Cool.
Thank you so much. VR exists.
Now I'm
We'll
going
be in
to
touch,
check
man.
out this world then.
and,
Awesome. Cool.
The Star Trek, you know, you can
Finally.
actually be a captain
It's
of
all
the
done.
Star Trek Enterprise.
You mean the game?
Very freaky environment. Nice.
Not in NEOS,
Whoa.
Yeah.
there's a game.
Yeah.
The glasses are cool.
Yeah.
And why, the glasses actually have some function also, except like coolness factor.
Across the table and just-
Yeah. Oh, totally. That's the only reason they really have them. Yeah. They're just to make you look good, man. That's the whole purpose of this whole event. Just to make you
Yeah,
look
of
cool.
course.
Yeah.
Looking cool is always important. And
It's
these
always
glasses,
important.
I keep them too. Yeah,
Yeah.
awesome.
That's actually,
Yeah. I guess you
Now
can
my
take them now.
glasses of choice.
I guess you can take them. I don't need them
You
now.
know, yeah, I mean, at some point, our starship was like.
Oh my God! Awesome. So that was a good time. Thanks for coming, everyone. Thanks, Salt, for coming.
Yeah.
It was so awesome. We'll see you in VR chat probably as well, and maybe Neos
Yeah.
as well.
I was such a noob.
So I might show up later tonight.
Okay, yeah. I will be on VR chat tonight, so.
Awesome. Yeah, maybe I'll see you up in there. But I gotta take a break and see some friends in the real world to go for dinner.
Okay.
Coming out of the walls.
All right. See you later to VR Exist. Oh, where's everybody? I'm saying bye to everybody now. Okay, folks, it was awesome. Thank you so much for taking part.
Very good.
I'm going to go to the
Thank you
so-called
so
real
much.
world to eat. So, and render the YouTube video. And, fantastic.
Nutrition totally overrated.
No, well, it is, right? And, yeah. Oh, are there new photos here? Hold on. I got to get some more photos before I go.
But that's some weird VR issue. Always,
got
if
this.
one is in VR, people talk about food. The
I
only
know.
thing you can't really do in VR.
The bio break. That's what we call it, right? To go to the washroom, eat some food. Right? But you know what's going to happen? Pretty soon, we're just going to be skeletons
I want some
in our headset.
injections which put some ice cream taste into my mouth.
You can taste that NFT. Yum yum. Yeah. Yeah.
Actually,
Anyway,
on
I'm.
CES,
Yeah.
there was like a taste device or something like I've seen in some
I
report.
saw that.
That was like, okay. So like some people licking a screen.
Ew. Ew. Grody.
No, I
people.
saw the other one. I saw the smell
Oh, I would never want that.
emulator.
If there's one sense I'd remove
Yeah,
from my life, it'd
yeah,
be smell.
Yeah,
I swear.
yeah, I mean that's the perfect thing about partying in VR. It's like
Yeah,
it doesn't
yeah, you don't have to
smell
smell.
of sweat.
Yeah,
and
I know.
Other weird.
Yeah,
things.
believe me, that's a good thing. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah. Besides, if you get the sense of smell, then people are totally going to use the prank people.
Exactly. Oh my god. Imagine that. Imagine being griefed by smell. That'd be just the worst thing ever.
Do you remember that John Waters movie with his smell?
Oh god.
parts?
Oh no, not John Waters. Please don't bring John Waters and VR in the same sentence. That'd be just. I need my, where's my therapist NPC? I need that like now.
No, it was awesome
Oh.
because he was like he used like the tutorial, the onboarding first scratch thing. Like on the screen, there was like a bucket of roses, and you scratched the thing, and it smelled like a bucket of roses.
Oh my god!
And then on the screen, some cow did her bio break.
Oh my god!
And close up on the bio break, and you didn't want to scratch the next thing.
If you really want to smell what the rock is cooking.
So you're live streaming right now, VRXS?
This is cool! Can I get one?
He's accidentally
Of
live
course.
streaming. I'm live streaming still, but I'm gonna cut the live stream in a couple minutes because I really have to take care of my biology now.
Endlich is the sky.
Oh, let's see, right? Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate with some fireworks.
Yeah.
Here we go. This is the end of the exhibition, everyone. Where'd it go? Where's the firework? Oh, it's above the Sky Dome. Well, what happened? Oops, I flew away from it.
The New Year's before is like from the Japanese community New Year's party.
Hey, can you launch another one? Thanks. I crashed. Okay, I'm gonna watch it now. Okay, here we go. Fire away.
It's cool.
Do it. Where'd it go? Oh, it took me with it. I was on the rocket. Oh, come on. Ah, that's what happened.
Grip.
Oh, I see. I thought it was a firework rocket, not rocketing me away. Okay, I'm going from distance
you
here.
went with it.
Okay, that's what happened. Okay, I'm going to watch it from distance. Thanks.
You were grabbing onto it.
I guess I can grab
Oh, look at that firework. Oh, that's very cool. Always a celebration in VR. All right.
Oh, well.
Okay.
Coming back.
It takes a minute to respawn. Yeah, I'm not touching that. Keep that away from me.
That would be awesome. I
Yeah,
love
you can,
that.
of course.
It's like,
Okay, here's the big Twitch stream chat. Okay, everyone, Twitchers, everyone, I'm gonna go and take care of my so-called biology, but because I'm gonna explode in a different kind of way. So that's too much information. But yeah. Anyway, thanks so much for attending the Quantum NPC exhibition. I'll put this on YouTube as fast as I can. Hopefully, it'll render. And once I leave, just so you know, once I leave, everyone gets booted automatically. It's nothing personal. And
first save the lighter. What?
yeah, save the firework.
Grabbing,
Yeah.
Grabbing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now
Okay.
you have to open your inventory and then press plus in the inventory.
Okay. Inventory.
Yep. Sounds good. Basement nerd.
Almost there.
I'm happy to show you. I'm happy to show you inside of NEOS.
Or I send it
How to
you
use
by
logics
message.
and everything else. I'm happy to show you
that'd
that.
be
Let's just
cool.
hang out at some point,
Thank
and
you.
I could even give you a private tour if you want. Until like mid-February, whereas that's I only have the quantum computer working until like February 22nd or something. Okay, one more rocket launch and then I'm out of here.
Oh, you know what? I want a copy of this too.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
That sounds like a flashy way to travel.
It is. It totally is like the Hyperloop. All right, light it. Oh wait, no, are you saving it? What are you doing? You lighting it? I don't want to get near that.
Den Movement-Button, wenn du auf Oculus bist. Also da, wo du
Nee, auf
normalerweise-
den Index an. Index?
Ich glaube, das ist das Gleiche. Das ist
Trigger? Trigger!
Uh-oh, crap.
Festhalten.
Get out. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I see you up there. That's hilarious. Oh my god.
Up the whole house.
You survived. Oh my god, VR is so much fun. Just it's endless, the kind of fun you can have. All right, everybody. I'm gonna save this. No, I'm not gonna save the session, but it's fine. So, all right. So, see you all around in various metaverses. And
Thank you so much for this. Bravo.
It was a lot of fun,
Bravo,
wasn't it?
Jeremy. It's amazing.
Thanks.
You're
Well, looking forward to
the
seeing all of your work
perfect
as well.
AI.
And we'll live stream your work next, Chaos, when you have something up, okay?
Oh, yeah.
So,
Awesome.
so fantastic. And bye-bye, Twitchers. Thanks for checking it out. I'm going to render this on YouTube like ASAP. And thank you so much. And I'm going to log off now. Okay, bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, how do I... All right, I remember.